Adoro a mevana, a jeda to pata, trozo boconolo. Oh mau, fichiole e un paramana o le gioie giù bon. Pola bonu kakani gakemi. Fichiole ma we fichiole ma mbe fichiole ma fichiole ma ah fichiole ma ewe fichiole ma. E qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma we, ezambalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, ne mi attende cucunolo. Fichiole o, ma we, fichiole ma, mbe, fichiole ma. Fichiole o, e we, fichiole ma we, fichiole ma. Adoro a mevana, fianfito pata, trozo pastolo. Adoro a mevana, a jeda to pata, trozo boconolo. Oh mau. Fichiole e un paramana o le gioie giù bon. Pola bonu kakani gakemi. Fichiole ma we fichiole ma mbe fichiole ma. Fichiole ma, ah, fichiole ma, ewe fichiole.
Yo, mi apa nuko la madak panami ba mi o de kaplim le. Agba fa ngbati be fa ndi wona ma toni magonya ga wezo do na mi va ko jimu to fa ka wiye nya wa wona ma madak panami to ki ba mi maya nya ki bi bu baraka bo mi no na fa ngbati bi bo di shandi non a kachacha ma pa mi donc jiba mi mi akosam le wote le ho teaching am chang to ma le fia na be a garmi aja na ba poli ala ba ne biya ba ye ba ngati jinko o garmi aji mele jim fuga hostel fumai and mi akpogre ne be ya dolo mi wona ya premier chile gore mu be premier chile moren ala ba wona na nyo cha ke kachacha na no mi adu +233 242670773 and your number ke na temwaza +233 242670773 yenye number ke na tem ako acheka kwa clinic ko nya kwada ngolo bubudo do me kugba pa na be nya da khosa hay ne nya ma nya kakala ne nya na gbolia nya ashichala ne nya dunya hala ne nya nshangwi ke na be ya temwa wo alo nshangwi ke na ko ba nya ba dwana se ko na gremi aja mi pegamo ala ba nya we macho mo ko kwa da pene nya do hachu kata yo kalma bana yo ka pa dapo na nya mpo bela nya non watato kata nya bodu dak bana nya mo kata le magbana nya pa wona ha muka kama na nyona mi abaleke mi jiene yo mi agare mi af motivational segment na donc yibe mi ona motivational segment kiade ala na mi dashi motivational segment wa mi zona apo nka nya de jo yo kale mi apa ntome amunga ntome o aide gana to kata godu ma akpo nya jo gbalo ba ntoji nkawele afuma kana ko ganya ni mona mone politicians alo nyandala hame ko soncho bunyamba opremiachi le nyama jujume ta alaka batonga no genya. The morning edition of our shows begin. I welcome all of you to a very today's transmission. Tony McBoy is the one hosting the show, and thank you all for joining me from wherever you are. I appreciate you all. Let's go to the motivational segment. If you want to be strong, learn to fight alone. If you want to be strong, learn to fight alone. So that's what you see on your screen is what a wise man has said. Now, I'm not sure if it's attributable to the man you see in the image, but the important thing is the message. I'm sure we can glean something out of that. If you want to be strong, learn to fight alone. So a lot of times we look for pity parties, we look for people to help us in our struggles, we look for people to listen to our versions of the stories, and we think that it is the responsibility of somebody to do it for us. But that's not exactly how life goes. Learn to walk your walk, learn to fight alone, learn to face your battles, and that's how we win. Ni kpɔm ne ƒe TV dze nye nyui ke nunyala ɖe gbɔ kɔ da ɖe dua dza yi ke mi kpɔ be anye nane ke miate ŋu afo nya mia ɖe le matsɔ ɖe miaƒe agbe zɔlia zɔm le kodzogbe ya gbɔgblɔm be ne edzi be ya no sesia ke wo avuwo wo ŋutɔ ne edzi be ya nya ame sesẽ ne edzi be ya sefo ne edzi be ya nya ame ɖe ke ata nu te ke edzi be nanu kpe fifi kpla la akpakɔ kple otukarawo akpavu kple okpuxiwo elabena ne magba ma ne amewo dzim be nono nya sem na ye enyawɔlawo nyadoewɔlawo ɖeviɖevilawo ekuifalawo kpenyifalawo eƒoxla ɖokuiwo kple amewo yiwo ke wo gbe sia gbe xɔ wodzi be yewoakpe ɖe ŋu ne nafɔ konyi awo mele bɔbɔe lo awo danye akpɔ ne mekpo no ala ka lo ame le asi lo wodem dɔ mo ƒle machine na mo na ma ɖe ɖo li kpe ɖe ŋuti nya ne ma ɖo fia gba na ma ɖe ɖo li na ma ɖe ɖo li na ame mele na miolo ame mele na miolo ne amewo yiwo ke le aleka dzi mo no kuifan kple ono vesen kple ono avi fan kple wo ŋutɔ me tsitsi ge ɖokui mo ta srɔ̃ le ke wo kpe na avu kple ame ƒe kpoxiwo srɔ̃ le ke wo kpe na akɔ kple ame ƒe taɖoamewo kpɔ le ke srɔ̃ le ke wo kpe na akɔ kple nusianu yi ke nyahem anyifume nusianu yi ke nyahem kɔ me gbe bi me nenemae mizi na ɖe ŋgɔ ma nenema mi kpɔna ŋgɔ yi ma nenema mi kpɔna nuteƒewɔwɔ ma ta gbedo ŋusẽ mi katã ŋdia kple nya ya be míasrɔ̃ le ke mia apli míasrɔ̃ le ke mia hadodo le míaƒe wɔna sia wɔna me míasrɔ̃ le ke míawɔ nuteƒe le mɔ sia mɔ ŋu albe míawo ŋutɔ míanye ŋgɔyilawo gake ne tsoe be nye ame aɖe ƒe dɔ tsoe be nye ame aɖe ƒe agba tsoe be nye ame aɖe ƒe nuwɔna be fie la yele tsoe be ame aɖe na yela ɖeka ke mese agba gɔme agbe woazɔ le azɔ be mi la ɖe mi zɔni míawo ŋutɔwoe zɔni ta ame ŋutɔe wɔ ge ne ɖokui nenema mi dzi míadze gbeƒe wɔna gɔme ta mega dzi ame ɖeke be ɖi nenɔ konyi fam kpli dzi ame ɖeke be nenɔ ŋkpeli ƒom kpli amewo no se gɔme nɛ be yina ne meto kpletɔkpletɔ menye nenema agbea ƒe azɔnia le ma srɔ̃ le ke wo ŋutɔ na wo ŋuteƒe ne ɖokuiwo ta nenema tsitsiawo be ame aɖe ŋutɔ yɔna ƒe akple koe be akplekɔ ame aɖe ŋutɔ ye yɔna ƒe akplekɔe be akplekɔ tsitsiwoe gble nenema miado ŋusẽ mia ɖokui ta tso kpa do ŋusẽ ɖokuiwo ale be nu sia nu ke ne hiã be awɔ na woe mianɔ vivivi ko vivivi wobe vivivi ko anyidie gbe vivivi ko wo da do gbɔ anyidie ame be yatso enuwo katã wonye matso vivivi ko wɔme eve wɔme etɔ̃ ne ma ko nɔ teme ma ɔnɔ teme akpɔ gbagbladzã gã eku anyidie wɔme etɔ̃ ene yoko te ɖe vivivi boko ava kɔ de do ŋmɔ nye nya nyui aɖewo yiwo ke nye fudoame nya alo ŋusẽdoame nya yi ke meka dzi be míata kɔ zɔ míava azɔ nu le egbeƒe ŋkekea me ta alekae me adze wɔna gɔme enyia da kpe ne mi katã da kpe ne mi katã yo game su be míage ɖe míaƒe nyadzɔdzɔwo me tso dzo me mitsa gɔme tso howiɖe mi howiɖe míakpɔ ŋkawo le afi ma ŋdi hã ke ɖo ŋku dzi be ate ŋu ade ŋu míaƒe adzɔɖɔɖɔ me faa mele be nɔ gbɔme sia yi ene nɔmba yi ke nazã le TV dzi ta ne nyawo sem ko no do fu be yaƒo ŋgo kaba ŋutɔ nade ŋu me ale be edua katã ewɔ ŋkɔ sege. All right, so howiɖe.com mi ge ɖe howiɖe.com meta kake nya fufufu la be gbalẽ míakpɔ za egba edzogbalẽ bɔ ɖe asi nye ko he ta doko meganɔ dam tsatsa ko míakpɔ le ke wòne la yo gbalẽ ƒe akpa gbãtɔ dzi Mahama pledges transparency in economic reforms. Mahama pledges transparency in economic reforms. So that's the first thing we are seeing there. Mahama pledges transparency in economic reforms. Dukɔ la be yakɔta la gane dua tsito vivici me naneke menɔge ne va ke míaƒe du tututu do wɔnawo. Sri Lanka slashes work week. Wow. Sri Lanka slashes work week to 4. Sri Lanka dukɔ gbɔgblɔme ɖe ami ƒe mabɔta alo ami ƒe anyimanɔmanɔ ta kurasi akuɖa nanya holiday. Interesting. So I'm annoyed if you Sri Lanka. They are on holidays. All right, Mahama launches nationwide inspection to dukɔ la John Dramani Mahama be tsatsa Ghana kata akpo to yoko yo de tome plus sube yakare jiba marke alo contract arke ma yo blambe doma jimo. So you're expecting the president to be moving about to the nation to establish if all contracts are going well. Right, digital shift, Ghana drones physical license. So we have something like that on that. I mean, that's a good story. I'll be reading that. And fuel tanker erupts in flames. Actual fuel tanker, we still have that on howiɖe.com. Army takes over Jubilee House guard duties. All right. So Jubilee House, Makbamilakma, you can use how to call Prolao, Dop, you can do call Fiasa, do call Pro Sam, Badagba Ozona, Blafo, Oona, Ava, Play, Upafo, Oko, a dog, but you know, want to me order to open defense. Want to me Kenya PP top chairman le Ashanti Ntome Epanya Elefia ha, and we have that, okay, and um, one to me is not doing good. It's not a good day for one to me, you know that. So we have that. One to me is there. Over one to me, yo way the jeshibe. One to me, I will the carvaro. You look where one to me. So one to me never defend, okay. Yeah, one to me never defend, okay. All right, all right. So let's see some more there quickly, very quick ones. And one to me, or that, all right, Ablakwa accused of dishonesty. Ablakwa accused of dishonesty. Former Deputy Minister of Information, who is now the Minister for Foreign Affairs, for Nko Eje, Ukuja to Ablakwa Kenye, Domaga Kekwana Nyamlede, Ade Yivai, Pokparento, Eglonya Rocho, Presidential Jet in Chief, Egba, Ukuja to Fumbe, jet new le koshi the president has a jet majabo hai yamobo plato akaba odu opede shibwe yamobo mali. That's a conversation we'll be looking at. We'll signal that at 8 o'clock. Nyamami gagamano ko ganyi tanano toji nyaro yoke okuje to yamobo friendship yoko gatro ya edama bara baro I mean, and these people help us to do that. Ghana is fear market me boga nyado lioke du koplo la sami jemfi edu jitama ko basin chale o kata oglo l'opposition cho avayoka yijela Russia Ukraine plato koplo anto gombe le video roma oglo avayka Russia Ukraine ama kamio plato akagba gombe Israel US Iran conflict and another amiope Ashinaiji. So we will look at those things. Then all that. So na atakpo mokata lehowide.com. Atakpo mokata lehowide.com. Okay, so I think the big story there, Mahama pledges transparency and economic reforms. Let's start with that one. So let's quickly do that one. Our President John Dramani Mahama has reaffirmed the government's commitment to transparency, fiscal discipline, and sustainable economic growth during a high-level dialogue with organized labor at the presidency. And according to Mahama, the president, and according to him, he is assured labor leaders that the government remains open about the true state of the economy, stressed, saying that shared understanding is key to equitable distribution of national resources. President Mahama emphasized the importance of continued collaboration between the government and organized labor, noting that the reform process will be implemented in phases through sustained consultation. And he reaffirmed that the ultimate goal is to improve worker welfare while growing the economy to create more jobs, better wages, and shared prosperity for organizers. That the corporate du domaga ka kpona do ro ko de no bo mi po to dasla to for sen meeting ma mi po Minister for Labor and of ma interim minister of man and all the labor chiefs ida kwa gomba ye nyato to kana to ko shai chu to ko ganya onchi alo mshaba na nyangi okejina to ko makosuba okay, something like that. So you can go to howide.com and read all that. Sri Lanka slashes work week to conserve fuel amid global crisis. Sri Lanka has announced a drastic measure to conserve fuel prices for reserves, declaring every Wednesday as a public holiday and reducing the work week to 4 days. The move is aimed at reducing fuel consumption and managing the country's energy reserves. President Anura Kumara Dissanayake emphasized the need for caution, stating we prepare for the worst. We must prepare for the worst, but hope for the best. We must prepare for the worst, but hope for the best. This is an important quote attributed to President Anura Kumara Dissanayake, President for Sri Lanka. Dukokora Sri Lanka will plumber Sisia Russia Kura Valley Kenyam le Fiala Fugumara Bala Patakarima Sri Lanka Vio no to come no Marawa Amima Value Amipanya Mama Mipanya Furamta Koshaja Koshiaka Kana Kwamudoga Ajaba Yojaruna Avo Tokiaka Boa Yokwise Be Emia Ava Ayoja Jarona Vo Boyo Mokbomenia Dissanayake, President for Sri Lanka. Right, Mama launches nationwide research in Ghana tour. That's a big story, trust me. And President John Dramani Mahama is set to embark on a nationwide tour starting March 18th, aimed at inspecting ongoing government projects and assessing their progress. So the tour will kick off in the Bono region, where President Mahama will be joined by regional ministers, local government officials, and other stakeholders. Minister of Communications Felix Kwachiofosu emphasized that the exercise will provide a hands-on opportunity for the president to evaluate project size nationwide. And the president believes that the minister should not only brief from the presidency, hence his decision to lead the Resetting Ghana project. The initiative is designed to bring the government closer to citizens, engage grassroots communities, and provide updates on national policies and development programs. Yeah, today. Je wona de to gome chacham le Ghana to kokatame nkata chacham do chacham plus sube ne yewo akpo wona yoke jim alo dututu go wona yoke le jim le gan na kata ke mi mokpombe le majijimo du koprola mi asanko le bono ntome ala be afuma e wo wona go mche no klep pile ko gboplombe ya ima yefe anyino pe noge ala be ministers ala be domaka ke pona du doji na ba no gbogbo ba la le to yi mi to ji be ya yi akpo plon kukolokolo mi o kejim yo kenya du tutura mododo bridge yo supo konji o shami ke yo de to ma to mo kenya big push agenda pe akpaganto yinto chachaga akpo plon ku alo mara ke makano majisina ya be tom na ma dowom all right. So that is that. I think that's a good one. Let's look at the army takes over that. I think a black player look on now. Educhi tama kupanya mi gaga mona poganye. Those are our topics we'll be discussing today. Da ya mia daudi educhi tama kupanya roblo. If I do you throw ike educhi tama no shows aroji nyaro bro abeke majaba na musasam le komaru tu abajojom e yakata mapeto ngana aglung nya pe amioncho kaka tro de fia minya mamu joge na pogani ke nyaro yokuba okuje to ablakwa yikenye nya pe domaga ke kona nya pe Ghana pe kachachakle betadu komoji nyamaha mi majoge ke nyarekara mi gakpole howide.com ikenye breathing room for Ghanaians tariff reduction LC ampao pe nyaro woglo LC pu ampao pe nyaro woglo do mi gagere nyamo ham na apo ga so we'll be doing all that. Tamia no toji ne nyakpole ke nyakpo big story so yi ge da. Okay, ke via mi atro have a press statement quickly. Press statement cho Ghana Armed Forces le rurongwa rujimaje kon player akaya mapana bana recho badagba do fa badagba kata le Ghana kaka glugu kwa jikbo do fa cho bana rurami cho adare do kata gbo and press release issued by the Department of Public Relations, General Headquarters, Lamakam, Accra, 17th March 2026. So, Banacho, Meokanya, Nyang, De, Lao, na, Soja Kata, Kenya Badagbo Kata, where Tano for the Bemakam, Accra, Echo. First batch of Ghana Armed Forces recruits to commence training. First batch of Ghana Armed Forces recruits to commence training. Okay, we have that on our screen. The Ghana Armed Forces wishes to inform the public that it has completed the selection of 2,000 recruits, being the first in the series of 4 batches. The selected personnel who have been invited are to report to their various selection centers across the 16 regions of the country for their appointment letters and prospectus on Wednesday, 18th March 2026 at 9 hours GMT. All potential applicants who had curable medical issues at the medical stage are encouraged to seek medical attention, as they would be invited again for a review at a later date at no cost. Meanwhile, selected potential recruits for the first batch include 18 personnel who got injured during the El-Wak Stadium Stampede last year. 5 others were sponsored by the families of the deceased during the El-Wak Stampede. Ghana Forces expresses gratitude to all the 16 regional administrations for their immense support that established this year's exercise to be organized at the regional level in line with government's directive of sending recruitment to the doorstep of potential applicants. Ghana Armed Forces assures all remaining applicants to remain calm as it continues to the selection of the remaining batches. The ministry is pleased to indicate that it has a pool of young applicants who scored high marks during the aptitude test and will therefore make selection from the pool for subsequent recruitment exercises beyond this year. Finally, the directive on facilitating recruitment for persons from Sikaman in the Ashanti region who assisted the military during last year's helicopter crash rescue operation is under consideration for the second batch of training. Veronica Ajo Ahim, Captain, Ghana Navy, Acting Director, General Public Relations. Let me talk about the Soja Opera, the Opera, Joe Bemakam, Irako Blumber, Yoko Macbova, Roda Domin, a may over Alaba Okaunchi, Opedreshiba, Salonchi, Otaudo, Nabo, Irakonji, Arabo, Dukno, Pop, Doleka. Alonso, Garama, Quabo, Ado, Doleviaro, Loncheka, or Tap, Butana, Conji, Tower, Banoba, with a Conji, Arabo, or Hochika, or Hudukbo, Afi, and Kakanade. Lemiapa, Nto, Ome, Via, Donkatama, Ame, or Katayo, Ikanya, Egbapan Kaka, Blomila, Jimatapan Kaka, Niana, Poka, Shekia, Le Abaho, Pokatal, and Toya Doma. Soja vie yao yo ke bra hoga ajebo wono wo kwa amahopao la maha pao la barasao ke agbara jigbo ameyo ke yo kpobe dole viaro lonchi wono koji ya yo gagbo ga do ko para bo dole dogura lonchi la be ko se bono ira konji ya utako gano ka me vie nyaro yo ko ho bi la Wak Stadium ape ka ba ima yo ko ba jamba Sohio at the Soja Doma, Wokata, Wohok, Amatoro Yoka, Ovagbadon, Chi, Unyare, Kaiji, le Ewa Stadium yi ka amewo tso afɔkpo nɔ no dzi alabe woƒe mo kpata teƒea katã xɔ dzo amewo sugbɔ le gbegbea ame mɔ katã ƒo ƒometɔ yewo bia ƒome atɔ̃ si be woɖo ame atɔ̃ ɖo yewo ne yewoakɔ ade wo teƒe le sodza dɔwɔme ko nyateƒewo wɔm hã ke yewo dzi be yewoada akpe ne duadza kple yewoƒe amexɔƒewo le ŋutɔmevia dea katã me ava le ko dzegbagba wo nuteƒe wozɔ ɖe gbeɖeɖe ɖe sia ɖe dzi kple ɖe sia dzi yi ke bena be egba amexɔxɔ ɖe dɔme eyi ɖe dzi ke sodzawo ƒe dɔwɔƒea gbɔgblɔm ame mamlɛwo ke mekpɔ xɔ aɖewo wona ŋkeke ʋɛ aɖewo eye ke yewo dodo kpɔna amewo yewo kete ƒe ameawo wo sugosu awɔ dɔ ame geɖe le wo dodo kpɔ amea wowɔ dɔ nyui ale gbogbo gake wonye be ame sia ame ta xɔ enuma kewo ta yewo be ame aɖewo nɔ fli me gbɔ ne yewo xɔ me yawo ke le ŋkeke yewo gbɔna me alo ƒe yewo ke gale ŋgɔ na yewo gbɔna me yewo ga tɔtrɔ gatsi agbalẽ xoxowo me akpɔ ame yiwo ke wo nuteƒe wo dɔ nyui alebe yewoatsɔ ade asi na wo oyi dzi hegbɔgblɔm be le sikama le Ashanti ŋutɔ me fi ke helicopter aɖe to kɔ hewo hefia be ame abe wɔme enyi aɖe ke yewo ŋutɔ yewo ƒe dɔmega minister for defence amanibɔ ma kple ame andre aɖewo ku le ma yia ame aɖewo wo nuteƒe le gbea me ke dziɖuɖu kpe ɖe dzesi be edze be yewo akpɔ ame yewo ƒe nuteƒewɔwɔ axɔ de yewo ƒe dɔme ta yewo ŋku dem akpama hã yewo mexɔ wo de dɔme ha ɖo gake yewo kpɔ ame leke ke yewo wɔe kple sube ame yiwo ke wo nuteƒe ma tsi dzo ma kple tɔwo hafi na be amewo ƒe ŋutilãwo mefia kolikoli o yewo katã yewo tame bu ŋutsɔntse alebe yewoaxɔ ade dɔwɔƒea me abe leke Ghana dukɔ meviwo gblɔe ene. Veronica Joahin yi ke nye captain dɔmega megatsitsi wònye le sodzawo yiwo ke wɔna dɔ le tɔdzi ƒe kpadzi ye ŋlɔ gbalẽa kɔ da ɖe dua dza yi ke ganye nyaŋuɖela gã ne Ghana sodzawo katã ƒe dɔwɔƒea katã kplo godo. Alright, mi le Ʋɛ̃gba TV ƒe ŋdiwɔna dzi tɔni magbenye miakplɔm dame su be miage ɖe nyawo me dzodzo me ke mia adzokpo ayi ɖe nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽawo me akpɔ ŋkawoe nye nyawo yiwo ke le nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽawo dzodzro me hã ɖo ŋku dzi be mena mienya be eŋu abe tanya abe wɔme ene aɖewo li yi ke wohiã ne eŋumekuku alo eŋume ɖeɖe gbãtɔe nye nu yi ke okudzetɔ Ablakɔ agblɔ tso presidential jet ŋuti emae mɔ yiwo ke le opposition nu yiwo ke gbɔgblɔm fia Ghana ƒe aminyawo mɔmemiwo katã ƒe nya yi ke eɖu dzi tame kple yi ke nye GNPC dziɖuƒe dɔƒe kpɔna mɔmemi nyawo ƒe nya dzi le Ghana ƒe dɔmega ƒe ŋku aɖewo yiwo ke ƒo mi gegre me ke Elsie Apao kplu yi ke nye senyala ganye ɖokuisitsitsala ganye dunyaheha me ke dena ŋuƒu xɔ ƒe dukplɔɖoɖowo me efiana tso ŋuti ganye aɖaŋuɖola le Ghana Revenue Authority ƒe nya aɖewo yiwo ke wògblɔ tso amiwo ƒe asi ɖiɖi ami ƒe asi electricity yi ke nye kaɖi kple water etsi ƒe asiɖiɖi ŋuti mi gegre nya me hã ke armed forces ƒe gbeɖeɖe ko kɔ da ɖe dua gbɔ be fifia yewo xɔ me 2,000 people have been recruited into the armed forces nyama hã enye nane yi ke mi gegre me okay all right okay mi age ɖe nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽawo me akpɔ ɖa mi age ɖe nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽawo me akpɔ ɖa mi ge ɖe miaƒe review segment, news review segment. Okay, we'll go to the review segment and then we'll look at some of the newspapers. All right, me aje go to Metro Lens G, Metro Lens. Metro Lens da. Metro Lens. Jama plane crash victims. Only 3 sons of Hebron Prayer Center leader. Jama plane crash victims, only sons of Hebron Prayer Center leader. Okay, Metrolines Mafia. Tema plane crash, only sons of Hebron Prayer Center. All right, so Yamabuka to call Tema Sukuyo for Abujukpo Jiare, when you are la Fiogo Gombe, Amayoka Kua, Onye, Hammer Fufuare, Ikele Hebron Prayer Center. Onye Hammer Fufuare, Ikele Hebron Prayer Center, Pervi. Da le nyaonya tefema ameyoka kukunfia America Pervi enyo kata. So that is what the paper is establishing there. That's what the paper is establishing there. Very important that we look at that. OKFM Kumume. However, OKFM to Ojeshi Ameyota Mikbo postare cho OKFM. Majiba ma nyakwe dare screen ajijireka ne me the story magom kabanto. So I think this is where it's coming from. Nana le miagbo cho OKFM. Nyamuke le mo o magba no pogo yocho mamado rami cho OKFM. Ko dare screen aji alawe nyakwera. Okay, so that is explaining the story. 6 houses touched in Sampa chieftaincy dispute. 6 houses touched in Sampa chieftaincy dispute escalates. Families displaced. The Sampa Antome, Efia, Nyahe, Ejim, Amoboyowe, Amoboyowe, the chieftaincy dispute. Maso Hunyamware ka Efia. Dodo alumeke fia jinoge le sampantome ganave otojo a omadando. That's not too good. All right, NHIA Akachi Market Deba boosts Dr. Bampo's drive to grow NHIS database. Okay, my Dr. Victor Asare Bampo Kwanonome Tata Mafia over NHIA Akachi Market Deba boosts Dr. Bampo's drive to grow NHIS database. La Kachishima, Jirupo Doveke Bona, Konji Famahe, Wagban Finana, O Vai, Dobuare, La Kachishima, Anaba Magare, Olo, Wangulunko, Be, your Ahoganavi, Alawa, your Ahagaviare, you can insurance or premium, ne, you call the Subane Jeto. You're either conji from here. All right. Achimansa DC intensifies Galamsey fight. 300 Shamfang machines, 105 bulls seized, 50 arrested. Okay, Honorable Linda Ahinkura, Linda Ahinkura, yenye Achimansa to momifia. Hey, be black Galamsey, Ukukode, blackly. Ogale Shamfa Malfa Tonro, Onya Moyoko Kono Shika Kume le Toji, Nana Tono Bubun Poto. Alawe Tojibo Malfa Kapa Tonro ha, Olo, am a black ton ha, Olo, Fikenyo Jomle, Achiman Sam Tome, DCE, Woman Power, Linda Ahinkura, Yen Tepomao, Akbeno Linda. All right, we call Mami Pomiaba do o Hachiaro alo radio adele inya OKFM, OK 109.5 FM, oko postare da rafma afiaba nyajojo kaka fuma oko isaba yojeshi amayokaku amavayokaku le yamabufu kototo anyi le tema nicho kawazu chome. A calm day turned heartbreaking at Tema Community 1 after a 2-seater aircraft crash claimed 2 lives. Among the victims is Captain Frank Donkor, a dedicated pilot with 15 years of experience, and his brother, both sons of Elder Donkor. of the Hebron prayer camp. A family shattered, a community in shock as authorities worked to uncover what went wrong. Many left mourning, lives lost too soon. Rest in peace. Ta pogowen len pure picture ya pom len TV oji le nyonya tefuma. Ewo be ameveyo onye novio nya tefa la bodio no nyo. Ke chichito yike yamubu kunfia yike pa wi aton son yike nko Captain Frank donc kleoche wowe no yamubu ame alebe nya jojo kaka pe ya OK 101.7 FM gbogbulom be ameve we no na yamubu viam ke yamubu yike ba gbanchi anyi le tema community 1 kwa manolo nye fofo vio jore yomio ke wo fofo nye elder donko ukata le Hebron bedofo Hebron prayer camp onye Pentecostal le ginto mafuma ta baba now tragedy in Tema killed in light aircraft crash at Tema Community 1. Credit OKFM toba your widow kweji. All right. Nya trova nya jojo gban logbo a zorengo dokumacho makoko naneme yike le metro lens of a Tema plane crash claims only sons of Hebron prayer center leader. Now barhago glombe OKFM glombe la donkwa yenye leader lokoja be nya hamfofo Daka metro lens a oha umapukwe fienya jota amakumole metro lens go blombe yamavu ya yike tokoni efia ameyo kumonye jore yomio ke wofufu nye enye nola gbana modo pejiwe prayer Hebrew prayer center kata uko nola abenye the whole avala hofia da piasa ele Pentecostal prayer camp karem da piasa do gbanu we cry mi so jibna ba ngati na Roger plemi na do miata nenamake bana Boglombe. This is a leader that I am not yet able to independently verify if that person is the leader of the prayer camp or is one of the leaders. All right, the Accra Times. Gold Board engages GGSA to provide reliable geological data to support the establishment of model mines across Ghana. Damagapo Sami Jemfioro Tatafia Pariaro Nimojesho Tutu. Ida Kobo Gold Board that Chodo Dashna GGSA. Ghana Geological Survey Authority, GGSA, yeah, Ghana Geological Survey Authority. My producers, Miata at Beraram, Namanya, Akao number Gold Board the Doshine, Ghana Geological Survey Authority, if you have Onya Milk, Stronantra Nimba, Nchi, Ogana Nimba Tume, Akon Kaka Region Nimba Tume, Nkanya Pohoshi, Klami Hosho, Nimba Pakaha. Doyo Gold Board, Kenya Sami Demfio Dopa, Kodashine, Gigi, Ghana Geological Survey Authority, all now information, allo data, okay, all now information, your Pofika and Hoshole, Opere Yonchi, Sube, your Teng, Anyalika, your Doshikapupo, allo Tome Hoshi, Toma Mihoshi Kupo, all right, Unimac. Is unique. Vice Chancellor takes pride. Unimac is unique. Okay, my professor, you can ban Professor Eric Opoku Mensa, Unimac Vice Chancellor. No la Ghana Unimac. Balanyala, Banafifinyala, Professor Ikala Uplaya, Puku Bajama, Boblombe, Unimac, and Suku Koko Nuya. Or number Unimac in University Adeko Kohananya Kakala Mokale Magbana Yamo, Nanya Magbana from Yatana Manya Pats or by Unimaca and Yajo Kaka Lao Helper. All right. Pal Press Corps School on financial reporting. Lawyer David Damwa, Director, Media Relations. Okay. On number Parliamentary Press Corps, Glomole. Parliamentary Press Corps School on Financial Reporting. All right. Tanya joka kalaro yoke for do na dem Parliament for no no so takba hago ko mo ma o hari maiji ka Sanyala David Damwa Kenya Director and Media Relations. Imakwamila fuma o we do ma na bacha gba na Goal board sets record straight. Rubbish allegations. All right. Goal board kwanya yo chorenchi nyadele you got chore sami definchi abo go board for deputy CEO no na kware da shagba ran koko do dashine standogbe o che Ochoga 11 million Ghana cedis when over renovate your office Kenya Bank of Ghana office ko nyama nya iko chochon sami jefi nya bang ka gbang la bala amalo. All right. Mida CEO raises alarm over wasted agricultural assets. All right, that's another story there. So you go get a Accra Lens, you get the details there. Benga TV, where Indiana Jim, Tony McBoy Blom, +233-242-670-773, +233-242-670-773. And number I can check up. All right, women and leadership. Women and leadership. Empower, inform, transform. Pay tuition for stranded UK students, minority. All right, women and leadership. You can hear women and leadership. Women and leadership. Ida kwa. Ogo glombe MPP talk la so takpeham. Oga go glombe Ghana ko ni jagba no khefene Ghana vieux que le soukou. Le Europa du comme UK. Because you know pay tuition fee for stranded UK students, minority. Kama kapon la fia Honorable Abdul Aziz Fatahia, Kenya MP for Savelugu constituency, Yeglonya, the MPP Tonchi, Eglonya, the womb, MPP Tonta, pretty MP, Honorable Abdul Aziz Fatahia, we do cop, Nakefene Ghana Bio le lagba dom le Europa du comme de soukufi makboheta Pereonchi. Bill for all deputy minister calls for disability friendly university infrastructure. Makbo Honorable Rita Na Adole Soalefia, Kenya deputy minister local government, chieftaincy and religious affairs. Du domaga kakbona if ya how Depend to me, Jipopo, Pelamoke, Pona, Jehosa Nyaoji, O parent Honorable Rita Na Dore Swa, Epum, Ebede, no to Suho Yoke, Anna Amu, Alo, Kafla, Lo, Amukasha for Malo, Amukashin Kumalo, Hotem, Agra Sukuhoma, Dubobwe. Bill for all, Deputy Minister calls for disability friendly university infrastructure. Afla nama de metazo somo ero kwere keke mete gbona de tika to wo la bobwe ajebo ga wo kona bubu are ko ti so didi so ko ke bayi olie adidi ake ne step glaga je ako ano for step about 12 steps to central cafeteria. Oh la ko ga ke jabo am ike hanye am chichin nyamlo kafla lo na woma de alo amanya womi to woma to me fiawe de munyamu alo do roki kpongble akagbe manyawe ye gano ko mina mile mi kwedroji mi kodro hohere blogo kama jai takane mi otu mi otepa afozokwe afimi gawo moment pleto de kaso to fora mamu ko kan wala bobe. So adolescent, good point there. Bridging the gap, Vice President leads push to reset government communication. Ayo Professor Nana Jen Lefiaba ga charo dem to ma suba o do luaro le jidudu fa nyamdede mfufu kule nyamonchi and all that kind of thing. All right, women in agriculture, Ghana's unsung backbone of food security. Women in agriculture, Ghana's unsung backbone of food security. Ayo nyajojo de galafia bo nyonwo kala klete nyawme. Ghana pe nyonwo yo kenya kbola ngana duko yo ke mimo kwam de jesio. Ghana, women in agriculture, Ghana's unsung backbone of food security. Nyonwo yo kala gbede demade. Wowe kwepena Ghana cha onya kbola ngana duko afi ndudu vava. Ndu bachi du kogbo wanga kami mo ponde yesho ta nyong mo ke du komo ponde yesho oponya gbomu la fia AI story the AI written story AI hubomo. All right, Ms. Orengo, the Meridian Kwewu chiefs decry silence over palace raid petitions. The Meridian Kwewu chiefs decry silence over palace raid petitions. Then IGP kono matatak mafia alabe bakpo IGP Kwewu fia wo bamrakpo siadi boss le fia pretty face o boglombe aleka kuvito dopa mocho reclamo e ka Kwewu fia o sabava no fokoko no ba wagare yo fa fia samva Kereta pal mama jagajimwa. Umona ka chumba srefio madon vananto. All right, traditional. Let's just do a little bit of the story. Traditional authorities in the Kwewu traditional area have raised serious concerns over what they describe as the prolonged silence of key state institutions following petitions submitted after a controversial police operation at the Kwewu Palace late last year. The concerns were contained in a statement issued by the palace secretary of the Esono Jima Ampong Ejefie at Kwewu Abene on behalf of the Nananom of the Kwewu traditional area. According to the statement, the traditional leaders are worried about the continued lack of response from the Office of the Inspector General of Police and the Office of the Eastern Regional Minister regarding petitions filed over developments linked to the ongoing Kwewu chieftaincy dispute. Nananom recalled that on the early hours of November 17, 2025, at about 3 a.m., armed police personnel reportedly stormed the Esenojima Ampong Ejefie, the seat of the Kwewu Hini, in what residents describe as an unprecedented security operation. The palace said the operation involved heavily armed officers who allegedly fired gunshots and subjected some residents within the palace premises to acts of brutality, creating panic and fear in the community. The raid, according to the palace sources, led to the arrest of the Kwewu Hini and Kwewu Hima and some palace staff who were subsequently transported from the palace to the police headquarters. If you are Kwewu fia ogbongbon ba IGP wo maro yo konya kovito o wagere yo pe fia sam le pojin vide kia lia panka ke viandre da to fongli ma unke jonke na do go gidi glogo do glaga ko la yo pe fia nyong kojwe o yo da fo na nya ya yo ngogba rodo ajiru du kopola o do ma ga kenya regional minister le eastern region pari okata yo mi kota na ya mi takwa na ya kekeke November lo Easter agagona mira kuku IGP Kwewu chiefs decry silence over palace raid petitions. Na no press conference IGP na we no we do completo mi Eastern region amo inafuma Easter agbona mo fuma wagaza. You make sure there's no escalation there, please. We beg you. All right. Authorities reaffirm now Afrimpong the fourth status as James Queen Mother. Oh, non viare le fia mi popom obankwenye na Afrimpong enelia ikenye Queen Mother non fiane Jamestown. The authorities, which authorities? Authorities reaffirm now Afrimpong fourth status as James Town Queen Mother. Just a quick one. Elders of the Jamestown traditional area have issued a strong public disclaimer urging the public to disregard what they describe as false and misleading narratives circulating on social media about the status of the Jamestown Queen Mother, Na Afrimpong the Fourth. In a statement released to the general public, the elders rejected claims attributed to the self-styled Prince Ashaku Bruce Hui, insisting that the Jamestown Queen Mother remains the only legitimate occupant of the position under established customary traditional structures. Yo nyon vija to bumawe nyon fionye Queen Mother onye le Jamestown ta pariaro wogon Bruce va wogon menye Queen Mother. No way. That is a Queen Mother. She is a Queen Mother of Jamestown. Business and Financial Times. Maida CEO raises alarm over wasted agricultural assets. You can see that on page 2. Maida, do parece que bona agric, agledenya onje bogombe de. Anya verse na yo nto. Ale keku agbama over Movania Botolu. Shashuman. Hi! Maida CEO raises alarm over wasted agricultural assets. Standard Chartered celebrates 100 years of legacy, leadership, and lasting impact. But post Standard Chartered head office Lefia. Yeah, Independence Avenue. Oh, Baglombe, Standard Ho, 130, Alofare Cablato. Dala legacy, your dominion, gonono, ble, ntoho, yo, achodon, Standard Chart is big bang, but I'm not doing press for it, please pray for the press. Q4, Q4 2025, growth accelerates to 5.8%. All right, up where. If Jim Mlembao Matoma, Duko, Ganya, Jireji, then Yalo Faraka, Mipona, Mipalo Faraka, Blaton, Deji, Aloe, Yema, 5.8 growth. If you have a Duko, Gaukata, Kepomile, Miaro Kushimo, Dola, Sichalao, Miano, Mashama, Locata, Ghana, Dukonto, Mashameka, Gahlamko, Mipo Jireji, Peswa Sidiaton, Peswa Bla Eni, de Alofareka Ji, na Alofareka Mion, a champion Alofareka, Aton, le Peswa Bla Niwon. All right, World Bank tasks private sector to co-design future workforce. Okay, Kika Katap Gaja Duko Katap Gaja Ga, you can World Bank, Duko Buko Gaja Ga. Program beneficiary ejebe dokushi do ko kata gbogbo asron like odo de gashine dokushi do lawe. Oh, Business and Financial Times, you go look for that. Hello of here na ba ji akhle we number ko jo from na mafia ta mi la show nchi. All right, the Daily Searchlight. Daily Searchlight. Sampa burns of a chieftaincy, one person dead, several injured. Sampa, if you are Sampa to my Bakopo, Jomani, how, Black Bahao, attention to me. Sampa burns of a chieftaincy, one person dead, several injured. All right, so Sampa, so that's that Daily Search, like quick one. MMTL kicks against illegal construction on Opera Square bus terminal. MMTL MMTL in your producers MMTL kicks against illegal construction on Amaro Opera Square Ashichapa Gare Ganya Chochapa Lake Opera Square Afmane Tulos Queen Aquari. In our kind Shilopo over Miama Padogava Horo to me, Kenya, Piasso Plato, you can attack bagger. GJ to hold annual general meeting on March 30. Okay, Ghana Journalists Association, Kenya Ghana to Kokata, Najutoka, Habobo, takoko le miashi le pwedjimwe tonpo nkeke mamne tome. Jen Poa urges government to abolish fees for security service recruitment. All right. Over Duko, Gamma Homola Moshi, 2.2 million, 220 Ghana cedis per applicant, 500,000 applications, so much money from the unemployed. You better abolish that over the Gamma Jomimila Moshi. You are making a police clear, the Jisafo Doko Mokatamako, or Yahogamo Sebo Magata is Ponzi. All right, food for all Africa services, 900 meals on World School Feeding Day. Food for all Africa services, 900 meals on World Food Day. Okay. I've been a World Food Day. I've been here at Tapon Kakako Daddy Ngudu. Commission Abun Kakato. Ta Sukwadi Lafia, Dekwe primary, Ongore, Desk Kajiba Dekwe, Sukuvio Lefia ko. Food for all African services. Baby, I'm going Africa Food Day. Okay, Daily Searchlight. Ogachon Kokinana Darafia. Metro Mass Transit. Oh, okay, Akbe. Okay, Onamanya MMT Metro Mass Transit Limited. Yeah, Metro Mass Transit Limited. If you have Metro Mass store. Ogbogbombe Aleke Amaro Rukubano Searchlight Mari. All right, so we look at that. But Metro Mass Transit Limited kicks against illegal construction. Yeah, about Hulobomo yo kanye Jurufomo konye Metro Mass. Kufongoli Humova pa Ronfusia he. Humo Rojilobo afia mova unja moto son otum fiaso son yura kukuna mitengora yomajibo yo wo ba hadamana wa relina mianchi abanya bana yo. All right, so I think that's a good one. The Informer quickly. The Informer. Magdan condemns Esidu in Kitia over recruitment comments. Magdan shipping company to Domaga Macaulay Nyama Ubogbombe NDC man, oh, yes. NDC man condemns Esidu and Kitia over recruitment comments. Please, oh, I beg, Irashi Magdan. You make penyo, mankani yekra. NDC man condemns over NDC. Ton over Magare and Konye Henry Akufo, Kenyan NDC national organizer, Bayi, ex-NDC national organizer, Jagbaba Paria Henry Ose Akoto. Oh, really? Henry Ose Akoto Jagbaba and national organizer. And yeah, Apona Fuamon, Among Fofula, Fuamon, among shot. Henry Ose Akuteka Funa Fuamonchi, Alubabajambe Anye, national organizer, Pirako, Yika, and of foot, a tefuma, Fuamo, Afima Jejio, Punkman Johnson, I said, you get Yabanya or Bromania Sacra. Nka, said you get Yagbra, Miron Puja. I said, don't get Yabari. Then my bar of Faton Yoke, Bagajambe Yozo. Police, motor. Tatika, Boto, Bomano Gola. But I said, look at you talk by heart. Okay, 24-hour economy, incentivize private sector for effectiveness. Government told. 24-hour economy, incentivize private sector for effectiveness. Government told. Mikbo GNCCICO, Lafia Mac Bedu Abuaji. Doba reka Ghana GNCCI Ghana GNCCI you don't vita never pok bana pok afuma anyway. So can't face justice Kojo Yanka tells Ofuriata. Okay, Mako Kojo Yanka Ofuriata for therapy. Kojo Yanka be hey can Ofuriata boba pe yo kumekbulu boba wumbeglara ha na lo gara na trainer me. All right, let's make ADR work over alternative dispute resolution in your ADR. Yo, amo koti makami jagbami prabo alternative dispute resolution. I would do. What for Gani? mi ko ganara nya majuju me ke mokpom be gbedashina vana be ye amakoko tohu o le miagbo ale be miagere nya majuju me ta vengba ti bi ndi ona nya jim fi mi strona ngule fi mi kuna ngwe fi mi to nya nya mele enyi ami to trom gagambo we ta ne onya kafon be nya makpekpo nya le gboyen ko ba hodon chuchu piare ko nya tro nya ngaka gbaro su gbonto ta maga wora ka barako ma ahodo ma chuchu ma. All right, over manya shanya ko ina report ta mi jagba mi ason le ke na nya ba mi adre ta court nya drola ro gali ko se malo shibo onye my lord yoba my lord ka ono blon comme ça na ba manya shanya ko ya koto jigbere no me fe edo fitr tient donate 200k to chief imam. Ala suboro pe babla wona yike o cho wan ple azadudu yike o cho na gbo ko se be prophet Ibrahim e cho gbo ko ide toji be ya cho gbo agbo evia sorry ma obe Ibrahim ne blevia ka yo ble oyina agbo choko eko de via be fofo menya be kofo menya be numa ike le Kristo to be bibla ma ye kaji ko ala suboro no tero o chinando o chindo vo ko chuna agbo agbo tami agbo chuga mema many Ramadan for me. I'm not an expert in Islam. I chief imam no state no good time. I'm a chief yara for about 106 years. Empty Antonega also seed 200,000 to the chief imam. Right. All right. I don't mean Bobo Fidak Bula Jurakata on your holidays. The corporal don't baba. Ye bojo naga la subolo kata da nyano mokpombe Friday holiday edition special na no. All right, Miazolongo, the campaigner, integrity, objectivity, fairness. The campaigner, yeah, nyajojo gana ye yaro nyanyi ma poe ton to a benyen ku kolokolo fun mo gbajaji ko no pom le gba ye. Cleric calls for mission to UK to retrieve Ghana's lost property. Cleric calls for mission to UK to retrieve Ghana's lost property. Ma wo mare bogbom le Ghana to kokola we teponola le UK le Europe to come over na ochi Ghana okasino ngbubu oyome never kpo gbano pa tonko ni onya agbon sebe Obi the Ben Manche champions youth as drivers of local development. Obi the Ben Manche champions youth as drivers of local development. All right, makpo padere le fia ike ona be fia enya Obi the Ben to kwa fia game to mara ka gbogbombe sorry wawenye duko nyapa ntomo gologi nto ya okwe tutulao ta nyacho swadare soyaji Sam Jata George new SIM registration to prioritize consumer protection. Sam George okpo Sam George no tarafia Sam George be igboga nko funu zami le pe pe vivio le funu me mi cho npo me mi go ga nko ni me funu kata mo shana kaga ile filmo hi aru mo shana gbo wo nko de o nko sube ya me o kenye funa zan lo me o ke mobile money peto homa onyo na mi nyoto ha de no ne consumer protection bo mo ga ti oro maraka ga cho wu ko number cho yo we awozano abito itakwe won to nkume o da se digbale Ghana card won ko oshibide kota nagara moma na da shibide ji unshang na dogo pepe won ko na dogo banye bo na ba phone le deji apple number le deji no bo no do gara ya no garo na o fita o garo ro won ko nye kojo mensa number na be akos ajima awo no nyone mi on teta na gama suko oba mi kapli togo ho menya nan ka karo jiko gbedash gbedidi ka bacho jata gboko ya zoneji fresh violence rocks Sampa. Fresh violence rocks Sampa. Armed thugs burn houses as one killed, several injured. Fresh violence rocks Sampa. Armed thugs burn houses as one killed, several injured. All right, we have all those stories. We've looked at all those stories already. GF begins training for first batch of 2,000 recruits following Mohammed's directive. See page 2. Okay, the source. The source. The source. The source. Okay. The source. Over 500 child trafficking victims rescued. IGM. Over 500 child trafficking victims rescued. IGM. Mikmonkenya IGM da. Over Devi boni oma via o malofa ton yo ke oble he ko inare aboyo me we na fukpege o yo lo apo le pore ma maro gbonu wo dore le fiasem le labadi ava ko cho dashne droba cho ma tu le Lagos na dui abadi de beat abato hela kondia to badagre hu abadora plau afie abadore ge na baba ko kafla dore ko la fumo don he hotel doy mo katanya child trafficking amalofa tonson wowe ho cho mfuli fu ya menelo kujia ncho ka bazo cho ola televi o ma blaba wo andra roha alo Garo Kramunya Ghana view. Ida Shinya Manchibo. Edo Fetro MTN donates 200,000 to Chief Imam. Stop press. Police detective confidence. Fiagazi engaged in professional misconduct. Stop press. Police detective confidence. Fiagazi engaged in misconduct. Police if you don't know what I'm saying, all right, MIIF concealing financial and operational details from public. SEDA. MIIF Ministry. MIIF. Me check MIIF now. Concealing financial and operational details from SEDA. All right, so we can get all that from the source. Minority engages IMF officials in crunch meeting. Okay, and people talk parliament on Odogo pledge. He got Gadofe. All right, so they're in a crunch meeting. MIF conceals financial and operational details from public. SEDA. So pictures are not too clear. All right, be daily guide. Daily guide. Made a daily guide. Quickly, Parliament approved 2026 DACF distribution formula. Parliament approved 2026 DACF distribution formula. 6 houses touched as Sampa chieftaincy violence displaces families. Ghana sleeps in mining investment. Ghana sleeps in mining investment. Ghana sleeps in mining investment. NDC goons lock Ejisu Joben NHI manager's office. NDC goons lock Ejisu Joben NHIA manager's office. SkyTrain trial lawyer grills NIB staff officer. SkyTrain trial lawyer grills NIB staff officer. So these are the stories we have in Daily Graphic. Daily Guide, Boglombe Fifia, mining, Tomen mi kukuple, Yepunchipe Gao, Odidi, Le Poyame in general. Abu, Inakwanya Maglom. So meaning we are fighting Galamsey, you understand? Okay, SkyTrain, something about SkyTrain. All right, me the paper, me the Daily Gist quickly. Daily Gist. Akufo-Addo didn't cut cocoa price even during COVID. Farmers cry out. Okay, Daily Gist over Akufo-Addo cry. Ma didi cocoa pasio. Eka COVID vow. Okay. Ajiman Menu faces trial over COVID-19 deals. Former Minister of Health, Ajiman Menu, Banaba Oklomi the COVID deals Sputnik V vaccinaro kula maroko chu betadu ko magaro ko holoshi hotel aro ko dauro gayo ko yore hotel sound chief plato nyamakata nagawe former health minister Aidabon. Akufo-Addo didn't cut. All right, we've done that. 1.3 billion presidential jet arriving in November. All right, 1.2 million presidential jet arriving in November. Callistus Mahama Macpomile, in a presidential secretary. To copper up Banaji Glime Macpomile. Blombe, $1.2 billion presidential jet arriving soon in November. Le November, Jimmy Poyamila Jimmy Kia. Dukopolao Yamovu, Dukopolao Yamovu, Ebona, Ghana, Doga, O Yamovu Planet Dukopola, $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion presidential jet arriving in November. Callistus Mahama. Ayo. Atoforsen's Jerry report missing. Hebron Prayer founder loses sons in Tema helicopter crash. All right, thank you to the Daily Gist. Daily Gist do Pejina Miazombe Hebron Prayer Camp. Hebron Prayer Camp Dola. Hebron Prayer Camp founder loses sons in Tema helicopter crash. So at long last, we have established something in our news review. Yamahu Yike Tokonicho, let Tema Community 1. Yikema mavokula wonye jore yo mio yokenye la donko Hebron Prayer Camp dola wevio babano elder. The publisher. Minority slums repackage land reforms. Minister of Lands and Natural Resources Emmanuel Ahim Kofi Bua Koeno Tata Mark Pomi Lafma MPP Tobo Glombe Nakata Glom Jibuya Lewe Yo Dodo Cho Miapani Bafan Yang Land Reform Mogata Yo Pue Dodo Kuku Alu Yo Pa Dam Kuku Chipo Uga Domle so Nakata Glomola is repackaging. Ashanti Cocoa Farmers speak out, bring back our money. Ashanti Toma Cocoa Bledelobe Cocola John Dramani Mama Brero Randia do Dope Cocoa Board, Michomio Galvin Emilo. Asensu Boache calls for highway master plan. Kwasensu Boacho Gago Fifiano Gao highway master plan. The publisher. Students stranded in UK as government fails to pay tuition. All right, told them Ghana view yokele UK. Yoka yabum alabaji dudu makasukufino penya blomola. Inya gomadada ever students stranded in UK as government fails to pay tuition. But Ghana view la UK to come la Europa. Nke jojomroji. All right, the news center, quickly, the news center. Salah raised it 44% of tax revenue as government borrows to pay Atoforsen. Salaries eat 44% of tax revenue as government borrows to pay at 2%. One other ye tapopare ye like Jubilee House, he come at 2% no. Labor Minister no Fuma, Julius Debra, Chief of Staff no Fuma, all the labor unions, got on of Ma, at 2% phone, a pump mark brother. Then ye million of father kai, Jirugu, a guy who pona, can jog guy who pona. Million akpe blane vone nenya lo fareka ye jira popoma blane vone enye for two of jiru dollar and gamelio ta jigere yo ga don crafi no for $200 ato for so nya nya lo nenye million lo fareka jiru pona for sharp million blane vone 44 out of 100. 44% of government revenue goes into public salary payments, monthly and annually at 2%. And government is struggling to pay by taking loans. So what do we do? 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy will solve the problem. Eid al-Fitr, MTN donates 200,000 to Chief Imam. BOG's gold board coin yield 27 to 30% gain, but trails 91% global price surge since November 2024. End of the line for SIM registration, Sam George. End of the line for SIM registration, Sam George. Fuel prices surge sharply at pumps, hitting cost of living. John Jinapo, Energy and Green Transition Minister for North Lafia, Mama Miopashi, Dr. Kasla Tofosen, Lafia. 6% growth in 2025 leaves economy $1.43 billion. Over Jirupaga, Ejireji, Emami Blo, Nanya Lofare, Kakpom, Lafia, Atom. That's why Blany Bomleji, so approximately 6% is the same story we have seen. Okay, BOG's yield coins 27 to 30% gain. This is technical. The News Central. Okay. Very well. The publisher, many papers today, the publisher, Cocoa Farmers Weep in Regret. Akufo-Addo protected prices even during COVID. Mahama betrayed us after sweet campaign promise. Me do corpora Mahama Bomle, the publisher, Bogromba, Cocoa Bladero, Lashantin, Tomo Gromba, Nana the Dakwa Akufo-Addo, Kenya do corpora COVID ngoli kra, badidi Cocoa Fasho, Kaka Mahama, Eva, Vivim Manayo. Mahama betrayed us after sweet campaign promise. Mahama Vivim Manayo. Dashi. Mahama hits road with Reset Ghana tour. That's a trending story also. Mahama hits road, please, I need a paper back. Mahama hits road with Reset Ghana tour. The corporate no tata jeje mafia wo brombe the corporate chachaga Ghana kata albe yakbobo moyo yo be no yo dua o dom. Dig up Lumbers Corps. Hey. Dig up Lumbers Corps. Bobu Wulomo. Hey, Miko that the Lumba, but no tata fia club Bobu Wulo, my Kenya Bobo Mifia Ghana Giao, no ho. That the Lumba, where Nchila Kuku. Hey, dig up Lumber's corpse. Bobu Wulo, my padia, I cover the so here, no via hope, via dada, you are the over no via Shima, the Yenya. Yenya gbogbo me fia Ghana gen gbogbo nba me pomo adi betori ba pomo le ken gbaji o chache yo to kon chita noho Daddy Lumba nyare gbona. All right, Miko the custodian quickly. You can't register your side chick as pension beneficiary. SNIT GM. Oh, Mr. Frank Molola Ikenya, general manager in charge of benefits. Ame Ikenya Domagan Lesnit $0 Hojujo gadzi kpɔdɔ ƒe amewo ke xena fetu ne dziɖuɖu la xɔ dzidzɔwo ƒe dɔmega ɖeka ke kpɔna fetuxexe ne ame yi dzudzɔwo, ame xɔ dzudzɔwo, gbɔgblɔm be mete ŋu. You can't register your side chick as pension beneficiary. Mete ŋu dɔwɔ ge ƒe gbogbogbogbo ne yina dzudzɔ xɔ gea, wɔhiãvi nenye ame yi ke ne kua wòva xɔ fetu ɖe ŋu o. No. Your side chick cannot be your beneficiary, can't be your next of kin. All right. Minority rings alarm bells. Ghanaian students in UK face deportation over unpaid fees. Okay, yo. Da mi Fatayo Abdulaziz Kenya MP nesta vele groupe na matata kuma fia still. Abo bombe Ghana vio le UK. Yo ke le jirupa kontame. Yo ke le jirupa scholarship ji. Jirupa game vado bokota. Ghana viado ya dum le UK lo Mr. Yobe. No cocoa price cut even during COVID-19. Cocoa farmers praise Akufo-Addo. Ashanti ntoma cocoa gbadalao okafu Akufo-Addo. Bae ke COVID vakra omodidi cocoa washina yo. Da dono ne anado danko Akufo-Addo. Prudential Bank supports prisoners. Services think Prisons 360 initiative. All right, so something that's a promotional story. Equip youth with skills or face job crisis. World Bank chief warns Ghana. Okay, Mikbo World Bank chief Elefia Edogople Dr. Cassiel Atofosin Ego Blombe. Equip youth with skills or face job crisis. That's it. Mikbera sofi unchi oji dono ntorukyu abe domere juru okpajio. Yeah, so equip youth. That is from the World Bank chief to Ghana. All right, me a daily graphic. Gama susung pire ko nambe maho domachicho. Ma daily graphic ble chronicle ko ma ahogbojo viare. Abamba TV kwendi onanya jim Tony Magwenya from Daily Graphic. Daily Graphic. SIM re-registration will be final. Sam George assures process to prioritize convenience, curb fraud. Sam George Boglombe, sisi ya miapa funo agboga banglon kone miapa SIM card ucho the funo mapi infuma mle toya umi yole. Mle toya umi yole yoge nyala bebe Sam George woge. Yo dopa na gabam sha na yire jinwe nemi be mia pa buba ho nko ne mia simo me ma fi monogo mi woge da dodo mi ton na ba na oge bogbe na mi ana gbe sha ti ha momon poke mi anchio. Economy expands by 6% in 2025. Non-oil sector drives growth. Economy Ghana do call pa ganya o kekereji na lo fara ka pon mi la Magbloma Shai, Aton, Ble Peswani, that's 6 approximately as added. So that's that. Okay, there's a notice to readers. Your authoritative newspaper, the Daily Graphic, will be absent from the newsstands from Friday, March 20th to Monday, 23rd, 2026, due to Eid al-Fitr activities, or Eid activities. Readers are encouraged to visit our online platform. All right, so thank you for that. Graphic, all right, no problem. A 3-day agrotech fair, Mahama pushes for radical agric reset. Me do kok bola no tak ma fiare. Takopare iji cho lege. Ko gogo ma gogo mba fifia je ba mia agbogbo awo to wanna ye yare na President John Dramani Mahama, let me just read that quickly. President John Dramani Mahama has called for fundamental reimagining of agriculture. Wow. President John Dramani Mahama has called for a fundamental reimagining of agriculture from a subsistence sector to a strategic engine of industrial growth, job creation, and national prosperity. delivering the keynote address to a gathering of farmers, agribusiness operators, innovators, and policymakers at the opening ceremony of the Agric Fair. All right, so do remember Bavito, Bladede, Bogbona, Bladede, Bagran Chuta. If you have Miabo, Adem Kumia Pabla, the Yama Suba, Yada Blaza, Akbon Kuza, Achon Kuza, Adu, Atroshulonchi, Ozumuza Canon for Bubu, Kakabu, Atro, Tabucom, Abajano, Ganatrova. A horror blooded day, Kenya, Lafito, Kuji, Play, blooded day, Memiapo, Fiarico, to Cockle. All right, the Chronicle, Ghana's mining investment ranking tumblers. Jinapo expresses concern. Ghana's mining investment ranking tumbles. Yeah, beg your pardon. Ghana's mining investment ranking tumbles. Jinapo expresses concern. All right, say Migbo Yamadungo, Ghana firm, Dayo Pomo Lecho, Toman Hosho Kukuma, Kakoja Jamro, Gamakata B, and Jinapoba near Efurum, Erefu. Illegal miners are my worst enemies. I'll fight them. Achimasa DC. Yes, I only demand Kanye Mama Fiana Achimasa, Epanya Lafia, Bobrombe, Babito Shika Kulao. Shikakula mano sanwo onye pofuto ebe plaklimila. I will model Ghana police after Scotland Yard, NYPD, IGP. Mapo Christian tete honu kono matata la fia wa plomba. Bovito to ba ke hofia azu nora Ghana ye boga troshilenchi ono Scotland Yard. I will model Ghana police after Scotland Yard. Ayo, si Sheba Ghana povito yovu tu kwa kanya Scotland. Fwe bovito ko dofa preale ko wana ngwi. Achayo dena buye o jisogo yo galifia tetebe yoko doko in a different level. It's a different level now. All right. Mianyaba Chronicle, nyama chona wuna nye jojo balo majujo ngola ba kona monya pipi ara ko dana re yo for de ika mi chono ngledemi mi kona monya pipi ako do ku kin gbegble yo kajim mi ko monya pipi ako di agbon gbegble kajim le to ko ma blo suba do ronava Yeremia fa gbale bla ton voreke pipi bla ton voreke Jeremiah 51:51. We are ashamed because we have heard reproach. Disgrace has covered our faces. I'll read that again. We are ashamed because we have heard reproach. Disgrace has covered our face. You remember bla ton over the cape, people bla ton over the cape, but unpemi alava vrodonya watumi unpemi micho miapasio ko chomiapomo alava odong kwemi. So Ghana mining investment ranking tumbles. Jinapo expresses concern. Illegal minings are my worst enemies. I'll model Ghana after Scotland Yard. All right. I'm not sure what that starts. Maybe Ghana's investment tumbles. Ghana's investment ranking tumbles. Jinapo expresses concern. Maybe that's what it starts right there. All right. So me afang boloma ho don chicho piare. Tony Magbo ye plomi la wonokpa ya na ma yivie matroga ba mia jo mia po nyama makakashi mia po TV ya onwo ma yivie mava.
Qu'attend la vigie et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. mawe ezangbalejado aja gbagba asikaligbe do afikolea le miatempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh mawe mi antominya eyenti mi regiodo ne mi attende cucunolo ficole o mawe ficole ma mbe ficole ma ficole o ewe ficole ma mawe ficole ma adoua-me vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo adoua-me vana aggedato pata trozu boconolo oh mau ficole nu baramada yo le choyo jo bon bola bonu kakani gakemi ficole mawe ficole ma mbe ficole ma ficole ma ah ficole ma ewe ficole ma Ike qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo. Mawe, ezangbalejado. Aja gbagba asikaligbe do afikolea le miatempolo mi jagole chio mi antominya oh mawe mi antominya eyenti mi regiodo ne mi attende cucunolo ficole o mawe ficole ma mbe ficole ma ficole o ewe ficole ma mawe ficole ma adoua-me vana fianfito pata trozu pastolo adoua-me vana aggedato pata trozu boconolo Oh mau, fikiole ye unu barabara yo le cho yo jo bom no. Bola bom kakani gakeno. Fikiole ma we, fikiole ma mbe, fikiole ma. Fikiolema, ah, fikiolema, ewe, fikiolema. Il qu'attend la vigie, et la vigie. Fou pepe, va glolo, oh, et glolo. Ma way is embalejado. Aja bagba asikaligbe do afikolea le mia tempolo mi jagole gio mi antominya oh my way mi antominya eyenti Mire Giodo, le mi attende cucunolo. Fichiole, ma we, fichiole ma, mbe, fichiole ma. Fichiole, e we, fichiole ma we, fichiole ma. Adoame vana, fianfito pata, trozo pastolo. Adoame vana, aggedato pata, trozo boconolo. Oh mau. Fikiole ye unu barabara yo le cho yo jo bom no. Bola bom kakani gakeno. Fikiole ma we, fikiole ma mbe, fikiole ma.
All right. So, mi hapo nikola apa impati before ndio na okpa yo ke jonya jojo mo enya Tony Magbonya mi hapo na wona okpa ha me da kona mi ba mi ho jiboni na ma ho do jojo pi ma ha trova. All right, nya get me for discussion segment we will mi o ke discuss ke mi la ma ban to enya comment ade ke LC apau kluo mi da mi bo LC apau klu for no tatara ekonyare dare duaja bracing room for Ghanaians tariff reduction a welcome relief bracing room for Ghanaians tariff reduction a welcome relief. Let's have a look at who is speaking. LC Apaklu is an entrepreneur, a policy analyst. and a lawyer by profession. So, as a proud member of the whole Central Constituency NDC, a lawyer, policy analyst, and entrepreneur, I'm delighted to see the John Dramani Mahama government taking concrete steps to alleviate the suffering of our citizens. The recent announcement by the Public Utilities Regulatory Commission of reduction in electricity and water tariffs is a testament to the government's commitment to the welfare of Ghanaians. Effective April 1, electricity tariffs will decrease by 4.81%, while water tariffs will drop by 3.06%. This reduction is a welcome news and is a respite for households and businesses grappling with rising cost of living. And as a policy analyst, I can attest that this decision is a bold move by the government to cushion consumers amidst the ongoing economic challenges. The PRS's decision is a clear indication that the government is listening to the cries of the people. The reduction in tariffs will have a positive impact on the economy as consumers will have more disposable income and spend on other essential goods and services. And this in turn will boost economic activity, create jobs, and improve the overall standard of living. So that's LC Apauclu's position on the proposed reduction, which we expect to have taken effect by the Public Utilities and Regulatory Commission. All right, LC Apauclu, ikanya sanyala, ika ganya dukushishi chala, ga dang dunyaum alaba nyang mapula, afomcho amiope ashifa didi nchi Mr. Public Utility Regulatory Commission PRC the what did the electricity fashi give what did the chihapa asijive and also bogomba na ngofashi kho ngokhoshila dukoma na ukafanami alo galmiashia ngmoduna ega gamaga chamizana na myoto myalukyo the disposable income kuya kunyaba gaikan chiun tonto ashu aleka mopa ashijing baochogbe ikanya inflation, the persistent rise in the price of goods and services aleka mopa shijing baochogbe nyanya gbanto bele kukuro kana fokhagana na nagaba gama no shio na sanro kyo gaka na odidi jo pashiji ogadi de chia pashiji vereko akpa program yanchi. So that's the first thing we have over there for our discussion. So, well, Nika Elsie Bobroma is a good one. It's a good one. Nika Miabiakunyabadi reduction here, how significant is it? Because the economics Mia is marginal. If you have a ODD way. Aleka mopa shijing baochobe, that's inflation. A 3.something% ma, it's already rewarded by inflation. Inflation ya aleka mopa shijing baochobe. Mopa shijing baochobe. Na ya shima alo ne fiasa mayo na jam oba mwanye 3 cedi a chone oba 3 cedi 50 pesos. Manye inflation amount. Manye inflation amount. Ma price rise kwema alo price hike kwema. Ashiaro koiji kakada ashia jiyin ba wochogbe ashi jiyin atradie chogeyi ya de basere yi ya don hier popo gomo jeje bo kaka basere popo wu mikata mino Ghana minyale ke pomamlea like dukopola nanaro danko Akufo-Addo no Ghana nwa mikata minyale ke ngono ko aleke mo pashi no jim mo pashi jeyi atradie chogeyi ya de ba ile yi ya da inflation tane wo pashi jim atradie na jiru khefe na jiru dollar dokushi chala khefe na o do vio dollar sha de hui pe ga onyebe wo pashi jim we shaita e gama ga dena naneko ala bene yashima emu na plan na 200 ba e chobe 250 in choga ba 260 Incho ga $270 ta. Abo gaya khamule no aba jiru dollar. Alo kishi dollar. Alo ton apa ya bomene la. Gare ku khomne la ku. Gaya khomne la gama ku khom. Nele. Mi masine be jiru bo. Apa jingba toton. Yo dare. Ga jine jiru dollar le pa jingba toton pa ngu. Ke papa chichina. Yo ga dare gaji. No. Jiru pa ngu no nemo. Api jiru na dare. Enguji jiru na dare for 2G ya afupe konyana demonstration, strike, threat for strike, unionized action. Ta question anybody everybody inflation and the rate school. Inflation o gombele single digit. Inflation na to ikefa fiamba mu pa shijin ve. Ya de da wipe alo erode alo cho increase mara ho ta elema be osinya bom la nyamionye no didi ji gbe anyo akamnya do kushi mo yoke kafla anda city ko miza zane power yemanya na wo honinye ne zana na power I don't know. Okay, America ba plan akadi 100 cedi plan akadi 200 cedi ma ele very marginal alo reduction ma ele insignificant. Dake America zana kadiza abado opaka ga yoko zana AC o zana jogagagagaga o vile kpoge la ba ma de pe kadi ike zamo le ko sha de kakra de 2 million cedis. That 2 million cedis ma no ko 4 ko multiply 2 million e ga go bore ma ta baba nyare ke Yesu blane we the rich always have. Whenever the rich will always have. Those who have, to them much shall be given, and those who do not have, the little they have shall be taken away from them. Interesting analysis. Reduction in tariffs. America zana chibo do paro lifia ne itemanto mekbe not industrial aplafona ko echiko kon klome echaku dum pa. Indeed do fie chidodo. The hotels are indeed do fie chidodo. A hofia mase over municipal line ya echia chino flow. The mama se ma over light ha. Na mala mo atana manyanyi mala la ma nyaro ko mase. Dake nyamiro ke kona jerika akuchi alabo huchi no le flat me jora gboko huchi o huchi da fo to cha na odo do tududududu echinemi na ku afiko shida wu ye honemi na khana do ma ye ga na khana ka 100 yobo de 3 cedi mo de 4 cedi bojwe ka tututu onye nikpo le du comme bojwe ka tu like vide ka tututu onye bojwe ka tututu onye kpomi mi le fia du comme vieux ne e poko wo me o ka ganye gato wo me o ka ganye kishinoto wo mo ka wo ke ga jokpoge ala be gaya esugbon ala be 4 wait me multiply by million amo kana million mi sana be jokari do ba chikari na marabo odufe tamaba chikari na sukwaro abe technical university so tamaba do mo chikari na konjaro ha le jirubu ike yiva jirubu kan no yiva yime dagbogu obo ta amamon kon wo nya me ke vivisem edukwa nu enye ngbanto mo jima gbocho lawyer Elsie Apapa enyanchi. Now, analyst are no bonyafia. Voma wo kadiga. Ikeda nyang ne MPP egbonyade. Ebe you le Ghana du kwa mafio dade electricity G. Percentage increase ko dade G ya. I think that was last year. Percentage ya subawu for. Ta no dade nwaji o subawu de le G ya ka o mo lade ngo ime ni alu megbi ime mile. Ele mo be gbojo vun adeva. Bojo we adeva dake ni ye Ghana do come vio no jijima ele mo be bojo we adeva o ni bojo like we have a relief, a little bit of a relief, but is this what the average Ghanaian was looking for? Be dai ko de le koko be develop koko kotoku ojira boga gbegbera and electricity penya glom ike jinemi plan electricity the average Ghanaian ike nega AC samkra maka jo na meze electricity ba okay nyimanya rake boga ba mistake amekle nya class enya how nya class ike kafla AC mala homono maka jo is power is gazamola 500 cedis. Monkeys play by sizes. The bigger the monkey, the taller the tail. The longer the tail. The bigger the size, the longer the tail. Monkeys play by sizes. The bigger the monkey, the taller the tail. The longer the tail. Manya kaso luluma, bleo shike pa jijime. Na po kaso shike lobo korolo ma. Nyema le level ma yike manyaba maro cardio zana wikra is 1,500 labe issue kata dom ita dom le chilapono level so le political class li amaro le kra maka 6,000 kra o come every month jinsha jinna kadita mashama pro level le tamre ku mi dem le me na me okra normal level ke mawu ye nya tagba tufu na mi amokra normal level ke weda fafa mi agbavo na jukokoba nya shifana makaji be amagre nyan kosema 500 a month crime makaji was an electricity ta woni adamani le mane Ghana to kaka ni George na me be the politicians so dey na election ji de ni ka me wo won vai ya ikena ba manyo e ba nyona kaka kufo ngoli kufo su president awa de kuko na Ghana to be ayo yo no opposition alo yo mo no shijo yo mo penyu alo mo nyina na mo kufonya mo banto de kuku na Ghana kenya mo bode ji alo manya ike maje nyanya alo maje dunya popolo agbo na du ko be de yo cheke abe yo la opposition manya mahama yo fasu du popolo shi banto no meals in hagbabo no yo no opposition yo mo pe na ba te ba do boka ba increase VAT. Ono complaining demonstration ono nyine kumi preko demonstration fufufu ono Ghana maimo takayo bado dia mesambo yo makpenyu Randy Abe yikanye nyajojo kakala yikano metro wo dobu kakala ka jona mpe politicians so bien na question we vio yikame kama ya bakponte fofu yo hocho TV station va cho dare kaka kukuboru nyagbanto ogbanyo ba ayo no gota yo monya kukuboru kuhio agba ikele kukuboru agba pe tare yo chokayo Randy Abe mi ko sebe alo no nyama dem nyama kwa nyama la fia po ko le ko me mpele ko ko bo bo mi chobo yo ya fa ko magic kare jojo ga po Mukele fumanya blema ngoli kuke titimya togwe mama ofo ngoli o blema nyaro le mai ke ta popo ni mono ge bobo milihu nyami ba se kan ba ya no dele yo po fortune no makpo foto ay foto no mena paton chore kan Nigeria albo du foto shi to magan no ko foto ba pa o le Nigeria ta Nigeria ba zo ma yura ma amoba po ma wenyu Manya nyale mo guy gbong yo la kan ton gbong no we are talking about significant money elle me be po ba ko ga blame olo jiru do ma ga ro du agalo amodu du gazan po o nanoli na nyira ba gban amodu gazan ale gbegbe wo lifia ana politicians va pack de petrol no na on pa onya gbon be petrol fa shi edede manya re ke nya ma ori du dome gaudo du na gazana gale gele gbegbe eleme gagbogbogbo ngbe ta afima honye demo chocho vove ya na po ga sheke nya trore nya mamleonchi nya jojo nya majola do ho na gere makleto nya de nya ma ba opo botane LC apao lu ba de osusu gbro ba ami no electricity plechi ni utility fanya gbro no ba utility ko basically we were blombe services so yoke jiruru kona ne du come view yoke wo hia alegbegbe yoke o manu mi agbemanya no yeta jiruru kona kpamale na ro no be ya khefene chi yenye doku si chala abebe na champon kene dia Japan yo si chala namla komiga tanko to bia for the how okunye doku si chala wowe ano echizram na mia pochi jerrycan frato ngu emi wa kuna wo 1 cd ne doku si chala we adrechi okata no mi azegana man obobu ta utility is a basic necessity. Yeta jiru then ashimaru. Power is a basic necessity. Yeta jiru fashion on amaru. Daka jiru fashi pe niyo pomenono kongi ganana gbaru vana alaba jiru enye deke machole me po do pare akpakle bakata MPP NDC nyama nenama konema. No nya bele ni alafia nye jiru toko. Chode le mere kama ga no na yin no bu popi fia we dua no ko wona de taka no gbo fofo popi enye a alo do kwishi popi enye a alo mo to bu popi a ankula garan nwie ta inefficiency gade le ECG dopa inefficiency gade le water company amo power theft o kadi zam o mo fakam na gbogbo ala gbogbo echiroko gbagbam ehofia echiroko no gbagbam fiaroka amoroko wa kuni mare kemechi jirenchio tackle the inefficiencies alebe gasha gakenye jiru atom yahwe ne dowopro nano fetu pom dowopro nano egakpom hafi yanongo gbapom da yo miso so kan gonya ve ike me jogema nya ike me jogema nya ebujita ma profanya ro ko gboro lenke ke boyome da du kokpola nto ponware sami je fi ponware ke kure hikame bawo hikame po hunya ple na te nga gblem cho mu fashin le Ghana Russian Ukraine wo fanya gbomele majibe mi atro ya sami ke mi po du kokpola bro na mi chofuma nya semu ike sami jam fi bro afi mi atroba nya gbo ta onu toji mako do mo chocho am gbona
Ukraine Russia war na Ukraine Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben ye tie baby Ukraine Russia war o hwe wo tena play mu na o ka say wo call Ukraine na wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru no mo ko mo ntokwa den ese yesika sem na Cote d'Ivoire son ka say Russia Ukraine no mo ko and so
a few moments later
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine Russia war. Na Ukraine Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby. Ukraine Russia war. O hwe wo tena play mu na o ka say wo call Ukraine na wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. No mo ko mo ntokwa. Den ese yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire nso nka sɛ sɛ Russia Ukraine na ɔmo ko. And so
A few moments later.
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine-Russia war. Na Ukraine-Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby. Ukraine-Russia war. Wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine na. Wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. Na omo ko omo ntoko a. Den ese yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire nso nka say Russia Ukraine na omo ko. And so,
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine-Russia war. Na Ukraine-Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby. Ukraine-Russia war. Wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine na. Wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. Na omo ko omo ntoko a. Den ese yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire nso nka say Russia Ukraine na omo ko. And so,
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine-Russia war. Na Ukraine-Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby. Ukraine-Russia war. Wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine na. Wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. Na omo ko omo ntoko a. Den ese yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire nso nka say Russia Ukraine na omo ko. And so,
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine-Russia war. Na Ukraine-Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby. Ukraine-Russia war. Wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine na. Wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. Na omo ko omo ntoko a. Den ese yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire nso nka say Russia Ukraine na omo ko. And so,
a few moments later,
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine-Russia war. Now Ukraine Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby. Ukraine Russia war. Wo hwe wo tena play mu na wo ka say wo call Ukraine na. Wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. Na omo ko omo ntoko a. Den say yesika sem. Na Cote d'Ivoire so nka say Russia Ukraine omo ko. And so
A few moments later.
Ghana is not immune from the shocks of global events. Recent events in the Middle East, which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran, have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development and model the possible impacts on our petroleum prices. Ukraine-Russia war. Now Ukraine-Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ben. Yeah, tie baby.
Yo akpene mi afon ko la gamsu be ma de nyam pepe to ke le bonya akofia mi. Likam choma buo e ke pana che mi jo nyam cho en disi to ba paji ele bonya. En bi to mi kpami e ba ma nyanya we. James Gay na nyam ko sama rona ba nyam ko sama nya na ru jam de bobo dojo boga oto so we are opposition man on mala bogo ta mi jagba mi ajo mi jagba mi ava alabania ajo na honorable ways yo yeah asanya ma mi no jojo ngba elsia pa ko ngba bojo fana Ghana come view ala wo di electricity bele water for Kaka, Ghana's fuel market vulnerable to global shocks. They can story bubuane. The same economy. Nano dijin, nano jin. Ke gomede ke nam mi lefia abeleke mi po mi apa du kopola. Po ko ba yi planya ro yo ko blo. Anabe amoba biamba. O mi ya NPP towo yeke woge mi hamiala. Tapi cuma nak omong pokok nak demena nyasel lauk polo onye minya nyatepa. Ebi jitama kule Kenya GMPC Ghana National Petroleum Authority toko domega ebi jitama kule kuwapo Ghana's heavy reliance on fuel imports makes it susceptible to fluctuations in global market. The NPA boss Ebi Tamaklo has warned. Tamaklo emphasized that any disruption in global oil supplies will make a direct impact on Ghana's economy, particularly oil prices. Direct impact. And I understand something economy. So, ale ka mino beta du kom chom aba ka jojon fia Israel US the kai ko afi the tura Iran plato ale ka Iran to ha o nchiro no obo ma rogo egbona na go wo pashi na baiji. And actually, every year we know that pump prices have started going up. And Ghanaians, the increases at the pump will definitely erode the reduction in utility prices because then we pass the pumper. Question and Korufiabe Ami passage Fejia Megaka Furogawa. My point I'm going to say me. Now, I've let the law almost like Kangumo, my Kangu Panyablomi, my Pankolo. Many of who ya plow Panyablomi, many of who you Panyablomi. I can't log back, drug back, Agblegi, Akobashima. I look up price now, elevo. Tanyama Majogemiala, Mahudon Chupiara, no matter honorable Chino, Karanyamana, Magbona.
Go. Oh, what did that go do?
Oh, còn thế mà. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi bụi. Ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tuổi. Một vợ nhà quăng sự có là kết là.
Oh.
Những mà vật phân. Những mà ta thân mắt chung. Mà nó chỉ có vụ. Vụ luôn.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tikone gbogbo ya wa. Base hagbena di dile nuna fia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya fa no pasi bani ko wi wontam nya nfura mu a. Mola pasi ko ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Bueno, chico,
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita bi gada de sikremon tonto. Mola pati ke wa busielo weto fina.
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no no plan. Na zama fiva na kama furaga na mashama no zin.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nya to ma toro ha. Wo za vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa odashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
nina nemi ayi vola basenda afima mi apota yoyola nyadeba vola
e fiva lo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achi de padaka ofuto makata mele to woni de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima akodo wotu kame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka ma tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on
kadung kwajiba vola
yo nya panu pola akpana mi le besoso ba mi aje mi apanya mejojo me da akpana vola heba clean to bo dem bana wo we na nya pa be clean me fano ta taw nya bo honorable wezo
yo amacho mo ko ya mazu de pola mi de sentia o ko mo ta de ba e va se atto anche con il atto e di top di vota top di nabe si ona bo de la no nabe ona bo anche foto su ya to la vita
Gunu
yawe le dos yeah so nabe full issue play the Russian-Ukraine war Israel US play the Iran war yes nabe ni le trading it's not in a vacuum that whatever he Jordan the one way or the other I don't have impact on the other countries working doing that MRF Nyamite Baba 7 years and the heritage Jordan even neighboring country definitely the tomatoes issue job over damage
Fikelema Fikelema ewe Fikelema Qu'attend la vigie et la vigie.
All right, yo, me zongo ta honorable
yo akpe ta
me jago me dugbe ne mia nkola kata be ya wele esi ayo da for modefi le yo akpo nya jojowe me dugbe ne mia pe ndi stop le MP MC kule regional minister pete yeah so me no gbogbo be Ghana like me operate in a vacuum like Ghana no me le trade activities so from one country to the other so definitely in another jolly country bubu there yes I don't have impact them actually because me le nano hocho go that definitely impact my ara me feeling kake noko over wabe the Russian-Ukraine war he have the impact on me ape fuel pricing na ya ever to me ya ever raise concern gede and internal come yes so over the years me ape investment as well in the oil sector la abe as a country la me quite serious so then me sibo oil ya o me discover le ko ya me then the miton power me ape refinery wo be wa ton I refine amiyawa ne enu ya hele jojo le Iran play Israel play US doma man have issue the academy of oil price in June because at the end of the day me and Tommy ami refine and so at least ne import kwachela ne fide kueta ne impact ya ima feel isibo kakebe over the years Nkuma have vision who established them oil refinery since we operate video for a while up to now successive government to put effort where you want make sure the refinery mala and produce alo ano mi apa mi refine amio ho wa be okay mi aku ami elefi for akwa de better ya wa ba refine aka gbugbe ko na mi na bele ke mi le mi apa koko wa nene koko mi agbo jire na we kimi ya wa gbo attend to chocolate kimi aka gbo import cover elefude we are not about some time back before the first JDM first term who was leave officer we discover oil there were in the western region Plato and at that time Makoba Megedo all the courses were introduced courses were in oil and gas production a lot of at least that you feel ever no western region at that time because much discovery so in OG and after discovery what was the plan then me refine me afami way alono komi nawe those talo oil cosmos oil over waba akoju agboba refine akovenami aside that investment can be for me it's a major concern and I think be Russia play Ukraine pe nyakele jia and then eye open anami be some of these things were ejebe mi eminyale amiekukwa me invest heavily in me ape refineries we be waton refine me ape amiwe me akule Ghana lefi. So what of there now? I'm here supply make a level. If you be nothing will happen. Evo omatonka kwami awanu yao. Market women transport of goods and services where they like no bole. So it is about time as a country let me prioritize some of these things when we are out there. Eminya bo amihele kwa. Me make sure that me invest. Let me have refineries women. The refineries why refine me family way I could that the market then not about some countries like Iraq if you over me per liter and then convert it Ghana cedi is 1 cedi 50 pesos per liter because they are refining we are told I'm refining what happens all play cheap me as a country me prioritize and me invest into me a refinery congrats to the new MD of Thor, Combat, they start something, I put machines or recently make a documentary, they I'm all refine, vide. At least me will match investment into it. So that because most of our issues, concerns, okay, they know your risk over full. If there's any way, you invest them, me want natural, let me invest so that when I can refine, me family and the price of fuel, $3 are not cheap, na me. And no let down, at least triple down because the value change. So I may actually offer back over because price let down. Driver open charge, well I reduce it because Oma cannot complain so much. Aloma to Oma can use fuel as an indicator, alo factor, but you pay price LG. Gakebe amie basi didia. Ya cho open charge, well adidi because I'm here didi and no didi mele sure be ne hova do asicha laucha wa factor do pa price o me ta anabe enu ohemi apelation me chela adidi vie ta is a factor aside there yeah play politics with it me feel be me as Ghana tower mi polucho le ke mi feel be me ape do mi ayengo and be me ape ngo yi be me aba no relying so much on fuel me invest in me ape refineries where me were more oil discoveries where more should happen. I think me no go less surprise be for the past years 8 or 9 years la e make a new discovery de kesigo aside the ones between 2012 to 2016 e make a much investment make a ifima and me sure be yes with this second GM term me sure be me aka more I invest more discoveries where after discovery me invest in Thor the water refine me ape I'm we him in that way la I'm pasila adidinami so na be enukele jojole Iran play US play Israel to mefifia never have impact the kremi ajiu kake because be ono gbogboro be Strait of Hormuz yes a more ifuma to be ship ola mi okovia ifuma at least about 20% of the world supply to ifuma so yes tana he ifuma na he issue helia o ma ton kava even though be Iran to be your namo country do be wa three kake you for US play Israel play to you man namo wa yes aside that definitely the first supply ma possible so price IEG for me the only thing hey mi kale akpedana ma wenye be mi ape exchange dollar rate ya mepo much fluctuation si be hey jifun because na no jifun la na maybe increment mi profit kwachela atonkai video usibe but because then now the dollar rate ele stabilize video edidi video abeya kwele mi ajide ta imaton globe enu ohele jojole hike ma have any impact on mi ape economy fifio definitely I have issue on certain parts of enu ya ohele ji I have impact here but there's no way me globe ma don't have impact record just like the previously under some administration yes most of the things let me most of the attributions is Russia Ukraine many best specifics one nde see at the collab Russia Ukraine but sure at that point during that time after president or come enable nde see at the nebula over Russia Ukraine and after the statement do iji kakekela mi kwebe what the impact now is on fuel aside that the Strait of Hormuz neho valley neho number fuel ole ya but sure before price yes akadidi and ima feel impact na bele ko le fifio but at that time la everything like even the dollar rate ijikwachela over Russia Ukraine now dollar rate e kalele ko le meyijiu stability early even though be apology le fima the items do yala impact e ma no so severe dojiu kake doche ya henye fuel ohia be emoma ko ship wa to akọ fuel le cover kike mebe wa do Ghana chair efima he wall ya ko le fude but aside that ni probably impact on their exchange rate la mele so much and impact on certain things wela mele so much aside the fuel so we are just hoping that yes very soon Iran to ole gbogbo be yo le mo na ship do be wa supply that the moment onamo e fuel ships ole mo mato ele amie cover hiye me pete la me hokwa mele sure be at least price I can go back to le because enu ya here affect na fuel price nu ya enye one indicator which is the world market price play the stability play open currency ya affect na because no open currency mele compared to the exchange rate dollar rate ele so high the conversion rate ele higher no kwa mi even na mi ele cheap actually because open dollar rate ele high la and na the price IEG le mi agbo ka ke fifie ke bele down a dollar rate ele down fie e na tabe even though the global shocks all over vala impact mele so much na bele ke hu jebe no assuming that the dollar rate was to be around 15-17 yes imaton globe the whatever that happens in the world ma impact me in one way or the other other fie But the thing is, going forward as a country, we should be ready. Let me invest in certain things where hey and nabe hey ochole fima kwacha. It might feel shocked or so much. Sibo when there are things me and Tommy Atonwa like investing in a refinery. Kwame Nkrumah have the vision. At that time, what was our GDP? The army set up the oil refinery. So 50 years I think we can do more. Let me Kwame and Tommy Aton refine. And at the end of the day, I create jobs for a lot of people. Value chain and me apply me at a very cheap New Year. So for me, investment in some of a New Year okay one. Me and Tommy Aton wa. Me here be me no option they can leave. Me here be me rely the better to go and cover. Me and Tommy Aton wa. Invest them so that the choncho no New Year le choncho kala. Impact e ma feel so much. Akpe ya le doji.
Yo ke nke na kpo be ya glocho aleke mi fo cho mi political commentary nke na kpo aleke kikama ba to tromefia nyayo ke mi fo fia na ba ponde sibo nyatefo kikama via o atagbam le Ghana de Copachinyon pe aleke mi blecha vai nke na kpo cho communication an ni ke mi gbololo position pa emi vazu government a kpo enwa le modo nwa elema mema
yo akpe na beleke gbla some comment there were maybe a door ka here further new year research alejebe mi ka consider one way the gake ekpo comment there were none ya trigger na no ya comment there were like for example na mi ape president fe video eno gbogbolo be ndesi adeke na gbolo be pampers facile je obe Russia Ukraine war na gbolo be ekele je a obe Russia Ukraine war ndesi adekola obe Russia Ukraine war ya ta no gbogbo be Russia Ukraine edit le fi ya na ta wo comment ma we because many the say adekode one be Russia Ukraine ga kanu ko bazu be the economy at that time no the say ade obe Russia Ukraine war na be pampers obe Russia Ukraine war even at that time fuel price no GIA obe Russia Ukraine war meanwhile the Strait of Hormuz was open the ships all the delivery at that time you have dollar rate and around 17 CD to $1, 17 cities. Kake still out the Russia Ukraine war. No, they see how they could Russia Ukraine war. Meanwhile, here in this Russia Ukraine war was still happening. Bombs or if you call it drones, where's that or drones was down there, and happening, but the exchange rate like over 10. Ta if you have any whole jolly, Omato afford a comment ke to he joba you because the leka mo kono nu focho and one ya na tabocha agba they say the Russia Ukraine war dollar rate was 17 cedis to $1 ya me Russia Ukraine war cost Russia Ukraine war kale jojo ya pe NDC ka va power 2020 March 2025 e cannot g bomb in e kale g o cannot yes e cannot severe ka ke dollar rate ever 10 kemide na mi ele gbogbo na sibede le wa believe be Russia Ukraine war yana be mi abe dollar alo CDN no 17 cedis to $1 still akale g de ka dollar rate afife ke over 10 cedis to new year de ta ya na ta be the comment ro one or g even though yes global shock affect a country gede ka ke me in the see ade Korean go ke enu Russia Ukraine war la in the see ade affect na be example ke me na compare the exchange rate then Russia Ukraine war kale g de ka ke exchange rate re me drop wa yes price of certain goods and services were products where they kale g de Russia Ukraine war is still happening bombing LG de into me no gbogbo okay 2020 that time by the 2024 before election now me be apply ni pay visa fee ni azomo USA visa fee was around 3,500 to 3,800 Russia Ukraine war kale g de ka ke fife ke is 2,035 cedis eto amede wonu ke 2,035 cedis e kale g de e not am no gbogbo be comment ma o he mi ape president who work is due to be no they see adela o blame the Russia Ukraine war ji ta fife ke mi va mi ko be no yes they are factors na no dey me and the global shocks will affect me Kakamenyan the Seattle.
Okay.
This Russia Ukraine war exchange rate example came and nadi. Ya pe mi wa pobonke menyen the Seattle. Ya me blame the Russia Ukraine war you.
Akwe. Yo, Mahra comments are though the interesting comments coming in. Yo, going back to you when you on IG +2332426707773 number I boy could even as well. Nazako Acheka ba Plemi. All right, Linda. The message number in opposition, it wasn't so right. Now it is. Thank you for your comment. I'm not sure. Maybe yeah. SMA. Okay, all right. Kofi Agbanu, but Karma will never forgive you guys. Okay. Okay. Message the culture. Okay, I call it a dishonest group of people. How can the NDC tell Ghanaians the effects of global crisis? This is so shameful. All right, thank you for your message. Richard Bear, good morning, Tony. Elikem is right. Every wrong was attributed to the Russian-Ukraine war, and that is my problem. All right, thank you for your message. Thank you for your message. Okay, Kwame Brown, are you sure you consulted JDM before making this statement? Eduji Tameklo, you will be removed. Interesting. Remember, when did you learn this? Or you have just returned from the moon? Okay, that's a message. I just write. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, sure.
Just write good messages.
Yeah.
Stanley, but this is the least Ghanaians would expect from the Mahama administration. You are becoming like the NPP. Okay. So interesting comment. Okay, Mark, last comment on this matter. Yeah, I think the next topic. Kingsford, but Eduji Tameklo, is it you? I am this statement. I think you're trying to say, Eduji Tameklo, is it you I'm hearing this statement from? I can emphatically say you are academically dishonest with the truth. God Mighty is listening and watching all the propaganda from you. Note that Satan happens to be the originator of propaganda, and therefore anyone who indulges in propaganda is the devil incarnate. All right, interesting comments. Some of the comments are not good for me. I think we'll move away from this topic. Jonathan, but really, so you know this right. Kama Israel. Okay. Togiga Anas, but the truth is, Ghana is not an island, and we are all playing in a global space. I think that's a good comment. Yeah, but we are not an island.
Oh yeah, sure.
We are not an island.
Yeah.
So if you have good morning. Message for okay, messages are called okay. La makbobe makakhle de ka mejingi ke nye enyantonto ike matenwa khle. Okay, good morning Kuma. Okay, Kafi Kuma. Good morning to you, Tony. I like your costumes. You are preserving heritage. Okay, yeah, you like our costumes. So we appreciate you for those messages. Last one. Albert, hey, Tameklo, since when did you see this? Were you not the same persons who during the COVID-19 and the war in Ukraine did not happen in Ghana, do Akufo-Addo government should not refer to it and that the economy was criminally managed? Okay, so I think you're also saying that Edwin Stameklo was one of those people who was talking against this COVID-19 and was run by average of Yare. Okay, for last one, Mauli, well, what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said in opposition is true. You cannot blame every wrong on Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, Mauli is agreeing with you. Maybe I should look for the last one. Richard, but when did you know this thing you are talking about? You see your interesting. All right, honorable. What an amicomia
Yo, I yes. Ghana is on an island. I bet if you give me a president, it's a moggy. South Korea, if you give me a foreign affairs minister, like Kazakhstan, if you have yes, one way or the other, so some of these things will happen. Okay, the problem, consent, and we are having US, at the end of the day, everything Hemi raised concern now. And the previous administration, they see the Russia-Ukraine war. I'm not ready. No, President Robert, everything. In that time, they see that even though Ghana is not an island, in that time, they see that Russia-Ukraine war.
Now, you have many no communication bomb at that time.
Yeah.
The regional. I think you the Ghana ko. Russia Ukraine allo Ramare government statement about Mila is propaganda by itself. Nemi government former government ben sham Russia Ukraine misham ebe amaro pomba nyamamelemu ni domere exchange rate exchange rate nya that time exchange rate value kakaba 16-17, and they were using the Russia Ukraine war as an explanation for the aggravation of the exchange rate. Yemenya ahia bakleto euro ma senaga tene le hofia along to mafia nanomonogram. I don't know about that. So let's just keep on that. 1 minute.
Tamnabeleke we talk nabenya ke global ke is be exchange rate. Russia Ukraine war method e kale bomb in energy. In just last week, one of their cities in Russia ka bomb is still happening. Ka exchange rate terrifically. Let down. Not about that time. No, because all of the exchange rate are not a price of goods and services. Because they be a fool, they be a milk passage,
exchange rate. We have a very good argument, but
yes,
like exchange rate. LDD. So that's a very good argument. So that should knock off. That should knock it off. Then you are yes, it's not too good. No, you knock that off. So now about Jim Daka exchange rate DD.
Yes.
Good. Explanation. You can name Mile and Maima Bede. Atuya Damo Lafma is so many thousands of kilometers away. As in Yagome. It's too many thousands of kilometers away. So is a bomb being thrown on our land. Those explanations is what other people are claiming was propaganda. Okay. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Those explanations. Because now you are using the same.
Messi. Ghana land yo. We trade and do a lot of stuff with other nations. No, they see the Russia Ukraine war and know that bomb if you probably it depends like conversation so call ya not about American question ma biaba I feel my detail if my cabado feed catch a job in the sea that could be Russia Ukraine war because everything la ni be numa fifi la enuma ekaleji war kaleji Russia Ukraine elegy kake nu ke le blame be na testing rate elegy ever down. Aside that, nabe US-Iran issue, yes, assuming that Iran play US.
You are coming back. Argument I know is a good one.
Yes.
Never blama about Jim Gake, Jidubi, $1 where ashialo gabagba ele lebima enwuyonye gake amogogombe explanation ya mi glo maima be de mata jokumu yike mitrova za Zamfia ewo abe nyatepoma tomato that why are you finding it difficult to accept this thing?
No, yeah,
any food ko kwa nyayo ogofia blame you ka digita me ko ogofia you know
bro no about global
so we move on let them go
Jonah Ghana is not an island.
Yes
ndo say ke jole adanukia I impact me one way or the other. Gakeno ko na ko
but you see help your grassroots NDC help your grassroots. Some of the comments, some of the people that I know, like you can see that there is some level of unhappiness, if you like, with some of these comments. Even I said, there's a level of unhappiness. Well, so when in your running of commentaries, recognize the fact that people expected you to do well or different. And I thought he made a good argument. I believe no good argument. I learned something from you. Anyway, it means there's good economic management. It's a good point. The human yona mau ita ochamiru. Tanemi gagbona open arguments I do when clearly Petro Pashi Reji. And we should go beyond that. We should also prove to them that yes, there can be war, but we will not increase the prices of petrol. You could have proved that one also. Not by benchmarking. Maybe I not compare me. I didn't want to compare me. You may be making some of your own people not happy. That's what I'm thinking. So if there's anything to say, you can say it quickly. Then we'll move.
All right. So that's fine. So yes, Russia Ukraine war ekaleji. Kakemi manage CDA. New ide ole level ko jebe neno.
We manage petrol.
Fuel price
handle the shock.
Because when we handle the exchange rate, and not about the impact it may feel so much.
So handle the fuel also. Subvent it's subvention.
Yes, so government.
We talk a lot about subvention.
Government. Very sure there are discussions going on.
Yes, Dr. Ishama Bunyarabede, economic stability. And here, I will even the Kokura Mahama Agble, but dollar stability. And here, that's not good for planning.
Yes.
Takufomolia, ne world price year, onana subvention. Ne didi ya ko recoup. And you're going to say me, ever as she jilagota, better to come like a Ghana, Oma Derejo, like oh, John Benedadi. No did go up and down, all level, there's economic stability. Me make about two arguments, man. Me want to have a more bumble. About MPP talk argument, man. I have no one fear. Can we say go? As she register, Kambuku view, Kula, Katoba, I can't let my your garage. And you're going to say me, don't allow the economy to go that way. Yes. That's what that thing is a good point.
Yeah, sure. So the best thing is that currency is stable and enable predictability and all that. So the next thing is okay, government will look at the like a caucus in Ghana in the yes, me I'm sure this thing is a short term year because at the end of the day the global oil supplier very soon
short term you're going to put in Zelensky
oh yeah, because at the end of the day, at the end of the day, I may have Iran that's what one me I remember Iran friend China so there's no not
but we are not benchmarking against the yuan.
Yes.
We are benchmarking against the dollar. We look to the US.
Which is fine. No, not the currency per se, but at least the product getting to the market.
Through what?
Through the Iran, that particular channel Hamas Iran, for now, you are allowed countries double to US play Israel, you might allow ships over what to film.
Okay, very well.
So if you have a gradually things are improved. and me no vala me apɛ government a me anto me trust be ne he no didi ala me reduce ne.
First batch of Ghana Armed Forces recruits to begin training. Emilafia, Miko Sebe, Lahuafia, Mr. Sojao, Nedo Sojao. It's a good one for the NDC and for my good brother and for all of us.
Yes, sure.
But the question is about next season. We comments your questions. So come biana mi chono cho ni ke bizana analytics. Akbong kai Burma mole. Amoba ni chokwe. Ogo Mehoga Bugwara Morosi 220 cedis as application fee from 500,000 people. As you don't get a going at any manana Vadonia Manchinam Lafia. I don't hear. Okay, come in. All right. Market Kukumisa meeting at each of Patapataco. Echo press statement dogo. But on the 2,000 alo soja ye 2,000 okodo. The man you Hovago, but we will investigate that. How many reporting la whole affair. So a Dova. So Banla Kenya press statement mentioned president to Kaka Ofosu Kwachifon Foruga. The president has at the behest of the president, I love you to Cocola Nabe. I'm a back for more. You see, that's problematic. Question what you might be a Damina mode is in response to the outrage. Bear me refund that now and Majiba Mania also so a well NDC ame. Miaudi a guy we hold 500,000 should me troga now. So let's do something on that.
So I think over the years since independence Ghana mile forms Ojira for security services many egbo. And yes, it's just look at Amedo watch Amedawe. And then no government refund the Gadekpo unless you let me have a national discussion on that. But okay, as a country, going forward, this is what we want to do. Then that is a national discussion, build consensus, or government unilaterally executive order I issue henceforth and this is what should happen. Fine, but from independence to now, there's no record anywhere. The form or refund. It's just hypocritical. The minority just some few days ago, Mitra forms where me refund the cow. I can't be ala because me find voice. Nene outre. Na it's about around 300 plus. 300 plus. Now it's 220. So now it's
how many new joiner?
No, so it's better.
No, my dear, we chunya a probably but Kadi the Yomanyo, Etao Yoda. Kaka that program maybe tied up me will be rock me. Oh, OJ 300 many 500,000. I mean, you know, you're coming to employ 5,000 people on a form jump times.
Yeah, Blom and a beddy. For me, a comment in Johono and list me on a sort in a while. I'm at all top of the formula. Over the fake certificate of it.
Forget
no, that time
fake certificate is a sign to you of the desperation of the people.
Desperation of the people. Check online source from the time both Vala wholesale ultra form. There will be recruitment underground. Vide, and I'm 200 people co-recruit. I'm 200. And I announced. I'm only waiting for so long to buy this form. So many people. Now if we are
I'm and yes, señalo.
Okay.
Chowu nyakugala 500,000. She ever mione Victoria Japlo. South Tongue District Executive where Omani Boma promise a slaughter maton. Checkbook, Walano checkbook, Hopway, where member of parliament, but on the nice slot. Amaton, the Gamma, so you go America Chu, you put that slot, Nanang, these are two politicians from the NDC.
If you're ready, slot, Nanadi, and because a problem already, airtime, me fale quite hypocritical. Because, you know, or Manibu ma vetted. After you mark it, many question, the Lefita man nice slot. The FIAB is something Elegy who Tamanya Bayo, Yanata Bed.
What I'm trying to establish, because of the slot, because I'm a Jimola, I'm a
Yanata at that time, the American job at that time, only have a space vacancy. Actually, announce law.
Slot,
I'm a very
slot of mythology, MP. Victoria Jeklo, DC, slot of authority, DC, Bobo, people, I'm a 555 man, over multiply, I'm a new of 5,000. It is because of this slot system, which you have agreed to, Bella, discipline people, make time, you have blame Bobo, I have a slot system.
Assuming there, slot a number 1,000. Yeah, okay, I'm 4,000. What advertise? I'm a bobo apple.
In Yabe, you the slaughter exhaust Jahua. And you're going to say me, what are you talking about?
Oh, my exhaust. So,
why would you exhaust?
Yeah, Brona, assuming 5,000. Yeah, open the slot, ma, wherever. Yeah, 1,000 or 1,500. Well, I'm a 5,000. Yeah, if you go here, I'm a 3,500. I could show up the difference. I'm a 3,500. What do you have form?
500,000, no?
Yes, security services are
500,000.
No, security services are requirement only. I'm here, okay, I pay high today. Afford the call. And you may be able to platform for never join after. Never join, especially the military. At that time, after school, after SS, never join. And my player, I mean, the pod, maybe the bomb by heart. I be who the fella for 10 room. Never form me. Oh, the road is going to find out. I'll be put the fella for 2 room. We meet, we don't do boot. No, Abiaka. Tayata Glona Mebede, from our drill. Gakede, requirement or I'm a semi be a training at try.
Okay, me, Jimmy,
what Glona Mebe, a guy to Troyade. Discussion, my doubts, ever, Meva table, because, Betty, probably there hasn't been any. Look at like Bewa refund or no, unless the government
Jidudu anetro Ghana mayo kaya 500,000 no through Ghana o ha ebiamalo.
Oh, lenye kwenu poponu ya. Emefele o metro. Emefele forma. Neto metro meko. O metro na mu. Ta enu de se ara nu sosoro ye. Ta o che wa fele. Na no cho we cha. O ma gbo be no ko Ghana yo.
Nya ma polo nya ni ke nya majoji na mo. Enye nyarobe amoko face certificate amonye wino ye makawe na buna be novaji do ameko si domalo ameko mo le qualified and face certificate mele tanko ha mo ba gbo ji te ko ba gbo mo nye doctor wa professor ro ha mo ba gbo professorship. So that's not an issue, but when you go and say me never the parliament ene mo be am gbogbo yo ko o the doctorate title loji. Because the correct place certificate from diploma mills in America. When CEOs in government are being stripped of their doctoral titles, I think those standards are too low. Me the kukunemi le press GD. Sohe dodging the desperate elevofo. Crowd, they are stripping them of their qualifications. So please, me the kuku, don't make the people angry.
Yes, LMALO. Ape be ewo comment ya. Kakeno comment blobe yes. Security service is je nyape ehia be ya che o have requirements do. Ame ya wa hold the security just that be na the school the siada requirement only, qualifications only. Enu ke to ho de be no bo yes. It's a disciplined organization.
Yeah.
That definitely requirement
but his politics not.
Overlook you.
His politics not. Is the interior minister not from politics? It's a disciplined organization, but the interior minister is a political person. He is the one doing the recruitment, recruiting people with slots into a disciplined organization.
Sacrifice, same as Nobel slot, sacrifice. I'm open competence, open qualification, open discipline. Over bed because
when they came through slots, Or parliamentarians?
No, but if it is slot, yeah, slot yeah, come here for Jabi, Kuku the person for Tiro when I'm here. You will not take the person. A probably no my head your hair medo okua. Yes, no brother, Mesebo present a medo after routine check, no. Omato do explain I was saying, Okakwame bubu over. Ta emaya requirement only, edibemi meeting. I went on a fee. And I do a for pa abiku tepela for a do a for 2-3 days. Papule tepa aje bobo. So I remember na quite them. Yeah, like beme igbe aba no for me 2 weeks. They boot and for ne what happened?
Comments. Ape Honorable Elikem Chome for Nkwami say Ati Doche David Be good news, especially the last phrase or sentence. Government for the people. First time ever openness in all the recruitment process. Unlike before, you can only hear people are going for training. Yo doche achibe yeah leka jirango mamshabu mako chare ko sana ba mo ina training le ko ho yo munya akbe now. All right. Joseph Brukube 1,800 protocols and 200 lucky ones. Esagoma. Joseph amakbe ka 1,800 amakaka dokata pawonto amalofar ka varoko ocho choko. All right, more comments coming in. Magakle de Kavaro. Out of 2,000 recruits at a go, it's commendable. I wish them well in this short but highly demanding training. All right, thank you for that comment. Godsway said them, Joe. Godsway said them, Joe Tepe. Okay, Joe Tepe, right. Good morning, Tony, my brother. Good morning to you. And my brother, and my, well, his portal is still opening, and my brother's portal is still opening. It's still pending, okay. And my brother's portal is still pending. Okay, I get it now. Our portal are the motona.
Yes, yeah. Because I probably a president announced Benuka increase the number. I make statement but initially la I made all portal pending la a move to qualify. So but yes.
I never pending na banka. No portal pending. I
like we finalize the toji adeko.
Kono fuyo aleko no na.
No York work of my qualified. There no disqualified. You see the disqualified, then you know you are.
That you prepare majishi you can different in the school. You tell you chair ya to over pen. You can move for your
probably finalize that toji adeko.
Ba most body afonye. Hello, Tamil Moshi.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm okay. William Pablo, good morning, Tony. Great costume, great content. Doorstep of potential applicants, you say. All right, over. Okay, all right. So I think we take 2 more comments and we'll be wrapping up. Many comments here. Gideon Azumabe, you will never know the people who are going for the training. I know about 10 to 12 people who applied and also wrote the aptitude test, but none of them were selected. Thus, it means they failed the aptitude test. Ghana, why? Well, I don't know, but many I cannot watch your man show. I can comments, Mamma, you charge your man show. Honorable Chibuel will wrap up Nami 30 seconds. 30 exact seconds.
Yo, Akbe, it's Thursday. Nyape president, I know Bona Hafo region.
Ma nazo mawe wrap up onyala.
Bona Hafo, a Jumara program IG. Nyanagamo, where koje a document abeleko promise le campaign jibe.
Madu be chachambe yaba inspector ro gama boy.
Azayache ako na fan for ameya who qualify le Bona.
Da gama me Bona Hafo mi gon jegecho.
Yes, a chowa jego mecho ta small in the startup wa open ya shop me le sure be maybe ask school other regions which maybe volta che me talk it all here qualifier a local business or qualifier ya uche wa select we this tema yes me anya be enusio one of difficulty ya kake the president ele agbagbaje abele ko promise be economy I make sure be stabilize and that make sure be near pay price of certain things we to one affordable and sure be he's doing that actually I meet the some people yesterday and then the engagement was very fruitful. That is what Udibiawa and then Nukeke who government in one way or the other as support. So yes,
good morning. Good morning to you, Eric Adiabo, for your message. Well, you are doing a good job. Good morning to you. Good morning also to you, Faith. We're sorry, I think some of the comments I can't read, but thank you very much for joining me. Woli Herbal Clinic bye bye.
Qu'attend la vigie et la vigie. Fou pepe va glolo, oh, et glolo.